Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
The Tambourine! It's all about the Tambourine family. I'm your summer. I'm your setter. That's it. To the flipping world.
Tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people. Let's go.
Get right.
Hey, hey,
Listen.
Yes, I. Selassie, I. Jarastafari, and I. Emperor Haile, I. Spiritually blessed, were you dancing? Look at you, doing your little dancing thing and all that stuff and thing and whatever. People big up on yourself, and it's a bit of a rainy day where we are here in Queens. Yeah, look, rain fall, you know. Look, rain fall about the court here, you see it and things. So it's a cool evening, you know. The evening cool where we there, right? I don't know if any rain there were one there, but if rain there one there, give thanks, you know. That's a Caribbean thing, you know. Caribbean people always give thanks for rain, you know, showers of blessings and all kind of things. Them always I say something along, you know, yeah, God, you know. I find it interesting that well, again, I know about Jamaica, but I'm assuming that they do it too in English-speaking Caribbean because we have a common out. People give thanks mostly for rain, you know, than them do for sun. Well, I'm telling you about Jamaicans, right? You know, so if you're not Jamaican, whatever. I don't know, Sonia. I don't know if it's the same thing over in Grenada, but you never noticed that. Like, you know, well, the way we are raised, you know, is always that, boy, I give thanks for the showers of blessing, you know, and God I bless the place and the, you know, rain of blessings and things. We always hear that. We always hear that. Well, people don't really give thanks to the sun as much as them give thanks to the rain, you know. But remember, you know, water is the staff of life. And I know more sound on we were raised in Christian homes, so we were taught about how human beings came into being. But there's credible scholarship out there that says that we evolved from water. The water we evolved from it, right? The human body is made up of mostly what? Water, in case you never know, right? Whenever scientists want to know if life there anywhere else, them look for the life, you know, then look for what? Water. So wherever water there, life there, right? And again, I know many of you fall under what is called creationist doctrine. So you have your understanding about how human beings came to be. But I just want you to know, there's another credible scholarship out there that says we are from water, that our distant ancestors, way back, lived in water, came on land, adapted to land, at first in a mammalian experience, which some species still have. They can live in land and water, turtles and so forth. And then we just evolved, to just be land-based. But I know most of you probably don't know this, I think, but we're coming from water, right? When picnic pregnant and in a belly, where them in at the whole time? With them in at the whole time? I don't know. Water. Water, them have to grow in before they can come out of that. Them have to grow in a water. Right? When woman have baby and whatever, where them spring? Water. So a water the thing. Right? A water will come out. Water will nurture, Human being can't drown if we drop in the water, So when they throw a baby in the water, like baby will just come out of belly through like baby like couple months or so or whatever. We never see it yet. Them them can angle themselves in the water, and them not drown, so Them, like if you never see them video there. We never see them video there. When them throw the young baby, them infant me attack, baby in the water, and them just swim naturally, exactly. They've been swimming for 9 months. They've been in the water for 9 months, chilling. Right? The first time them hear earth, when you see baby hear sound and them something and them respond and whatever, they're hearing it submerged. They're hearing it in water. So a water sound them. So water, and what you hear, the human body can do without food for how long and long and long. What the human body can do without? Water. The human body can do without food for how long? Can't do without what? Our internal ecosystem, it cannot function without water. It need water. It need water. It need water. And of course, we have extrapolated on that in our lives and whatever. The whole thing about cleansing, and if you're baptized, you cleanse off your sins symbolically and what. So I guess along those lines, you can make an argument so we can understand why somewhere in our unconscious, we, Jamaicans are so or whoever, we have this instinct to give thanks to water, The Asians are all over this water thing, Yeah, the Asians, And the Asians, them come up with this thing about always make sure the water run in your house. Running water. Yeah. And them come up with that something, They're into that, They're into that, they're into plants and, the whole thing with bonsai plants, it was real, I mean, Jamaicans are too, so you must have some plant in your house and thing or whatever. But this whole thing about running water, right? Still water, problem. Running water, that's good. That's why a river, man, grossing out. That's why somebody can peep in a river. We up some by the time come down, you know it. And probably do something else in a river too. We up by the top and by come down on your side, you don't even know anything. Running water, man. But all that, saying all of that and whatever with water. Oh, one other one. If you are in frozen water, you can, if you freeze in the ice right now, which is water, and you freeze in the ice there. Somebody can find it 1,000 years later, 500 or 1,000 years later, and you look the same way. Depending on the ice, but still ice, you know? People who never really think about that, that's incredible, you know? Yeah. It's really frozen water. Right? Imagine, you know. No wonder, give thanks to water. But that being said, don't sleep on the sun, So I said, we grew up here, Jamaican man, I give thanks for rain and give thanks for showers of blessings and give thanks for the water, we are going to name the earth and all them something there. And we don't give as much thanks to sun, but I would venture to say that while both are important, and yes, I'm going to go through this whole elaborate thing with water. The sun more important than the water, Yeah, the sun is more important than the water. Millions of years from now, the sun is going to explode, and not be there anymore. We won't be around for that, okay? We don't know who are going to devote them time there, or if anybody are going to devote them time there, but you can check it, all right? Millions, wait, let me see. We can't tell them. There's actually a set how long before Earth's sun explodes. Yeah, I type slow. The sun will not explode like a supernova because it lacks the mass, but it has about 5 billion. Please, wait. Let me see. Will I be around them time? Nah, maybe, just might. But it has about 5 billion years before it runs out of hydrogen fuel and violently expands into a red giant, which will likely engulf Earth. Damn! All right, so let me read this again. The sun will not explode like a supernova because it lacks the mass. The sun is not solid. That's what they're saying. The sun is not solid. It's just a ball of fire, molten fire up there. But it has about 5 billion years before it runs out of hydrogen fuel and violently expands into a red giant, which will likely engulf the Earth. The life cycle to its final phase unfolds as follows. In 1 billion years, the sun's brightness will increase, vaporizing the Earth's oceans and making the planet uninhabitable. Do you hear me? In 1 billion years, the sun's brightness will increase, vaporizing the Earth's oceans and making the planet uninhabitable. It's going to be so hot that what's living here now can, In 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel, swell into a red giant, expand past the orbit of Mars. Say what? And consume or melt the Earth. People, you can Google this. Just put in the same sentence I put in. How long before the Earth's sun explodes? And it will give you the corrected thing. It won't explode and give you all of it. In 6 billion years, the sun will cast off its outer layers, leaving behind a small, dense, and dim ember known as a white dwarf. In 6 billion years, the sun will cast off its outer layers, leaving behind a small, dense, and dim ember known as a white dwarf. Imagine, if you will, if you have a big fire, right? And then you mash up a fire. You mash up a fire, you put the wood aside and you stamp out this and whatever. But you have one little ember left in there, like one little glowing bit. That's something like that. So in 1 billion years, the sun are gonna get so much brighter that it's gonna vaporize all Earth's ocean. The water not go there. Right? The water not go there. In other words, Earth is going to be one big hot ball. That's one hot ball. Right? And then after that, you just wait about 4 more billion years after that. The sun will exhaust its hydrogen fuel, swell into a red giant, expand past the orbit of Mars, and consume or melt Earth. So, remember, you see how far we are from the sun. Mercury, they're far from the sun. Venus, they're far from the sun. We, they're far from the sun. Right? Mars, they're far from the sun. The sun is going to get so big. So big. It's going to suck in Mercury, it's going to suck in Venus, it's going to suck in Mars. It's going to suck in Earth and Mars. It's going to get so big. I remember, after 1 billion years, Sam, now, it's going to get so bright and thing that it'll just burn out everything, on Earth. So it's going to be uninhabitable, right? They're in for it. You want to better give thanks on the band now here, right? They're in for it. Well, we don't even know if they're going to survive them time there because we, in our little earthly existence, we just see, we think the universe revolves around us, and fail to understand that the lifespan of all humanity, the lifespan of all humanity is but a microscopic speck of time when it comes to talking about the universe, which we do not understand, Right? So, just enjoy this. But talking about that, though, remember, we have to be careful there because you see how long this thing are going to take billions of years. And if it's one thing that has happened over millions of years, much less billions, is weird adaptations occur, And we have been adapting. It's just that you can't see adaptation within your lifetime. We could just look at our ancestors and see how them did look and be like, ooh, we're looking a little different now, aren't we? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. They look a little different back then. Right? So we can't really notice it when we're alive and in our generation, but we have references for it. But the point is, all species adapt. Some go extinct. If you don't adapt, you're going to go extinct. So who knows what we may adapt into? We could fly. Yeah. We could turn into sun beings. Yeah. We could become something very different. Like, human species could become like these walking flame balls. Yeah, that don't need water. And they get power from the sun still, in its metamorphosized state or whatever it is. Who knows, I don't know what the future holds, all right? Except, people me telling the fam now, I'm doing something, so may I ride on with some. It's got to happen. Oh. Okay. May I ride on with some. People work off of the work off of the. Work off of the, yeah? Work off of the. And me dey on a mission here, so me have to stay focused with it, so. Right? We men are not good at multitasking like you ladies are, but Sometimes we try, don't we? Sometimes we try. Sometimes we do try, as I am doing right now, right? Right and whistle. Oh, there's some interesting information about the sun there, don't it? There was a comedian, George Carlin. He's another one who, I told you about John Oliver. And George Carlin, he was an intellectual comedian. He was pretty good. And I remember him famously saying that when he hear the environmentalists saying, blah, 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 we need to save the earth. He was like, save what kind of earth? What's wrong with it? What do you mean by save earth? What do you mean by save earth? You can't save earth. You're just like an arrogant little human being who believe you can't save earth. Mind greenhouse gases is a thing, so don't ignore that. But his thing was like, listen, the earth has been here billions of years before us, right? And we as a species, we're gonna die out. And some other species going to come after me, and the earth is going to be here billions of years after we're doing whatever, right? So I said, it's just absurd that you think you're going to save earth. Could that be where the brimstone and fire concept come from? No, let that brimstone and fire came from the people who writing the Bible, who like do them something because someone can't manage them thing. People, this whole thing about where the Bible says you were born in sin and shaped in iniquity. Jesus never said anything like that, Like not even close. Not even close. He never did. But for the people who edited what is referred to as the scriptures and chose which books to put in the Bible, when they were doing it, they had an ultimate goal. I mean, the only reason why they were doing it is like we're losing control of the people, and our thing is to control the people, the Romans. Their thing was about power in the Roman Empire. That is about power. Power is control. You serve us. You're born and you grew and you're raised as thinking we are it. And that is why you give us your money, right? And that is why we have the power to go in and take your crops and your money and things like that and build massive, impressive structures and live opulent lives and whatever. It's about power. And they were losing power. And they were losing power because of Jesus. Because Jesus was telling the people that you have God in you. God is inside of you. Your power is in you. Yes, you can live a righteous life and so forth and thing. And Jesus was explaining that. And that ideology, that scripture, that whatever just took off and went all across the Roman Empire. But Jesus, the person you know as Jesus, is Yeshua. And people were living this thing. And people were like, oh, we didn't need the Romans, man. I got God in me. Whatever. And then the Romans, they realized, like, we can't beat this thing. We can't beat the scripture from this man, Yeshua, a.k.a. Jesus. I mean, again, some of you know, Jesus, like, that name didn't exist. Not even the letter J had existed then in his time. But so they were like, yo, we need power, and our best way to do this is to co-opt, is to take his teachings that they already hold so dear and to edit it package it, edit it, and put it in a way where they come back to us for power. And so they are the Council of Nicaea, the famous Council of Nicaea, where there were 316 or so bishops and things. And they were charged to pick which books they're going to put in a new book that they would call what? The Bible. It wasn't even called the Bible. The Bible didn't exist that time either. And that is how the Bible was created. But when it was created consistent with an objective, which is we have to bring them back into the fold to know. So they know they couldn't bring them back for second worship. Because Yeshua never said if you come worship the emperor. I'm saying, no man, come back and worship God. But this is what God's saying, no? God said, you were born in sin and shaped in iniquity. It's so funny how we were raised with that, we just never even think about it, but and again, I'm not going into this because I know no phone, who can't manage them. So, when people think about it, what it's saying is that God is saying that through no choice of yours, God is saying that through no choice of yours, you were born in the lowest of the low, right? God ain't like it. God ain't like that. Through no choice of yours, when you were a baby, you were born in sin and you're shaped in iniquity. And you have to prove yourself. And the way you're going to prove yourself is through faith, obedience, and fear. And you have all these scriptures which say God is a this, that, and God is a jealous God, and whatever. Even that, even whenever stop to think about it and whatever. When what's enough to think about it, no just accept it. God is a jealous God. Seriously? People what God have a jealous for? Like, it is so insulting. It is so insulting, and I'm sorry, but it's equally, I ain't gonna say stupid because I'm not gonna get offended because I grew up with them, so that it's so silly. We gotta go jealous for. We gotta go bad mind or jealous or whatever for what. It's so. Well, I know. You can't imagine like you have like a big, you know people, you have your big mansion and you have millions and millions of dollars, whatever, and then somebody, and whatever this and that, and somebody out the road buy one shoes and say, a bad man for shoes, and then you're like, what are you talking about? I can buy 10 million of those. No, you're still a bad man for my shoes. It's like absurd. But anyway, again, I go in and because I want someone who can manage them some. But it's all, I just imagine if you and somebody start talk, you see, ladies, imagine you're there with a man. And theme philosophy is you will always need him. Because you don't know better and you can't do better. You know them people, eh? You have to always need me. Because you can't do better and you don't know better. I'm going to make sure so you stay there so where you always need me. You know that? And you'll be like, what's wrong with you? You're a bit of a narcissist, aren't you? You see where K put, Raga, remember the context may not be the same because his thoughts are not like ours. That's what I share these things with you people. I just want to be clear. When I talk about this thing, nothing is in my intention to convert, for convert you or for make you this. If anything, I rather you be happy with what you believe in and live with it. Yeah? Right? Yeah. That's me, right? You have tons of religion, tons of denominations all over there. And I ain't something about who right and who wrong. As long as you're not doing harm to anybody else and it work for you, and you know say you prove it and you believe it and thing, be happy. And that me want for no, be happy. Right? You're not causing harm to nobody else. What you believe in not causing harm to nobody else. It gives you a spiritual fulfillment that in your sphere you have proven it. Be happy. Right? So I don't want to body things or whatever. Is that me, Me have to be happy to for me. And sometimes I share some of that, we don't know, but we can disagree. That's fine. Me know what work for me, right? I've had my red pill, blue pill experience, for those of you who watch The Matrix. And I can't I can't go back, I can't ignore it and think. So I believe in God. I just don't believe in God the way most other people believe in God. Not only I don't, I know why they believe in God that way, and that is fact based, right? What I know is fact based. It can still be subjected to interpretations, but it's undeniable that it happened, right? So yeah, and for me, some of it is a no-brainer, right? Right? I know why. I know why we were raised with a white God. I know why that white God has nothing about him that says he falls within the realm where in the white world you would say this part of him is unattractive. I know why that is, right? I know who in Europe created that image of Jesus based on the son of a pope. Just fact base, it's out there. That's I'm not here to convert anybody, and that's not my thing. I just want to know happy. I just want to know happy, right? And me want myself happy too, right? Me want comfortable too, though. So what gonna make you spiritually happy may not necessarily make me spiritually happy, right? But that don't mean that we can't share other commonalities and whatever, right? What denomination you grew up in is a different denomination from somebody. You Adventists believe in things different from Baptists or Catholic. And that's all right. And we can still live together and respect our differences and our differences in worldview and so forth, and signage and symbolisms and rituals and philosophies and ideologies. Right. In fact, that is what make our life interesting. The differences. If the world that we did see him, it would have boring, would have nothing to live for. Wouldn't even care say, I'm not like that type of person, that type of person I'm like. Then if everybody did see him, we couldn't even do that. Wouldn't even have a reason for live. Like, hello, differences are the essence of meaning. Differences, we can differentiate and say this is a computer mouse, but this is a keyboard and whatever. And the elements of a keyboard is separate from the elements of a mouse and whatever. If everything was the same, there wouldn't be anything, there wouldn't be any texture to living, you know what I'm saying? So differences are good. Just the one that difference is you go too far with it and feel like you're superior than them people, so you're entitled for, designate them as barbarians and then just subject them to the greatest forms of cruelty, to satisfy your pleasures and things. Then you're sick. You understand? So when I said this whole thing about born in sin and shame and iniquity and whatever, they put that there to say, and the minute you were born that way, you have to now prove yourself out of what you were born in. And who you have to prove yourself to? According to the Romans at that time, God. But who is a representative of God then? The Pope, right? And that is why the Catholic Church, right? You see me telling about Henry, the Catholic Church used to run everything when it come to that form of Christianity, The Catholic Church co-opted it. Now remember, it existed before them, but it was, in different quarters. And what Emperor when him to do, him just bring it together and put it in the Bible. People, Mary, the gospel according to Mary, right? So remember, what I'm doing, them get all these writings with them figure and bring them together from different people who was following the philosophy and the ideology of Jesus, who was Yeshua, right? So them come and them say, we're not it, we're not, we keep this, and we edit this down, we edit this down, we edit this down. Mary, remember, back then now, the man, the woman no have power, And the Council of Nicaea, who decide whatever. No, woman never did it. I be a man, I do it. We all know the patriarchy has long existed. Male-dominated system, men excluding women out of decision-making processes. We all know that, right? Say, Mary, the Mary, where them a cuss or not, and make tell her say she a prostitute, and tell her say she a prostitute. But there's enough owner ready for this. Say she was closer to who they understood to be Jesus than all of the disciples. Yeah, closer. Yeah, closer, right? Yeah, closer. I never see so answer, but she knew the person Jesus more than all of the 12 disciples them or whatever. When I grew up, the rest of them did I say, yo, somebody say, yo, when I get comfortable, that man I juggle around with 12 man. What am I do with 12 man, a par with 12 man? I want a woman, and we used to take it as joke and whatever. There was a woman there. There were women there. Them said, no, we don't want a woman have them power there. This man is a powerful man and people are follow what him say. And this woman, she can speak authoritatively to what him say. Well, no, sir, this or that we are talking about, them want come take our power. You understand? And I saw them demonize Mary and prostitute her up and whore her up and all of them something there and whatever. And fear writings were there too. And they were like, can't have that. And I saw a woman end up I get a fight right through, Eve and you can't just woman and Eve go eat the apple and whatever and make Adam go do it. And Eve fought, make the whole away and then beat him and beat him and then beat him. It come from way back with them time there with them man. And I saw them hand it to Mary, man, and just do up Mary, Right? And but again, when I go in and them something, because them if me rackle up them here and whatever, what else you not go? No phone, not funny age and whatever. And then when I've got think about all them something, I stress out about it at night time. And this thing, one rag them, I go stop listening to boy there, because it make me I think up some things right now and think, look how me it comfortable. I believe I'm going to listen Raga right now. And next thing you know, I'm going to start do that Caribbean thing then. Because once stress reach no phone, I'm going to go right back to the dichotomy. Because my mother was like that. Once stress I reach my mother, whatever, is the devil. The devil. Anytime, anything now is Satan. Anything good is God. Anything bad is Satan. Satan. That was my mother. My mother would book her to and a drop and a Satan do it. That never she, Go step wrong, right? Right? You know the drill. Ninja man say it all the while to one thing or whatever when we grew up. The devil get blamed for so... You follow some Jamaican, them that make choices, All choice, anything will happen to them, God and Satan will make a choice. Then God and Satan will make a choice. You follow some Jamaican, right? God and Satan, Caribbean people like that, right? Yeah, one iconic line in a Jamaica and whatever. And a song I can Satan Trang, you know. Ah, no, man. You see the devil, man. You see the devil, right? And it's all over, right? When Will Smith, with him weak, pathetic self and his bully mentality, and so weak and so emasculated, you know, in his relationship with Jada, probably based upon choices where he make and whatever, because, you know, we hear enough now if say something else I go on this with a boy, right? So weak, knowing full well if I did Future up on the stage or Godfrey up on the stage or somebody else up on the stage, he would never go up there and go box them like that and whatever. But because him is a bully and know if you put on a good boy facade and whatever, walk up there with him exaggerating you see him walk, whoop, 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 whoop. Shut, you know, Chris Rock karate box and whatever, and walk off like him saying he's a man on that stage and whatever. You look like a damn fool, Will. You lose half of your right, that's a Will. You're just a bully. Bully. But after it happened, what Denzel Washington go say to Will Smith? You see it? You see how you get your word and the devil come in, you know? And the devil... Well, that Denzel said to Will, you know, Denzel said, you see it, look there, you get your best actor award or whatever award you get, and just when you get it, and the devil come in, come mess it up, you know, and the devil, again. Because Denzel spiritual, you know, I think he's now an ordained pastor, preacher, baptized and everything. Right? And right, that's a Denzel a BM Satan. Denzel a BM Satan. No, it's not Satan. It's Will Smith made choices. Right? So me not want to believe about them something because the way how the thing work, I say, you know, say definitely in a ragga make me all like listen them something. And next thing I know, I'm gonna start beat me and say me a Satan bitch. Yeah. So again, you know, I have a work for no, me have a work for me. No. All right. Red pill, blue pill, me can't turn back. Me see the truth, me see the light, me can't ignore it. I still can't believe in a God. Right? Definitely don't believe in no personification of God, you know, a white man with straight nose and thin lips and a long hair and a nail in a hand miggle and whatever. I don't believe that shit. But I know where that came from, and I know why it came from, where it came from, and I know what was the intention for it, the impact it's to have on people, right? Subliminally powerful, unconscious, indoctrinated subservience. I know why it was there, and I'm seeing the effects of it and the impact of it, and I want to see it too. Bleaching, whatever, and, you know. Him good looking, he look him have straight nose and good looking at one. We've been there. Anyway. And for me, having that knowledge is powerful, you know, because it makes you untouchable. Yeah, you can hear people talk them thing and use every convention possible to be as persuasive and convincing as they try to be. But when you're armed with knowledge of self and of history, that in a way is empowering to you, you know, you don't even have to prove nothing to nobody. You can't just keep back in your own space and allow them make them talk. And allow them make them say what they want to say. Because you're fortified in the truth. You're fortified in honesty. And when you're in that space, you ain't got shit to prove. You let people be people, and you're good. And at that, in this segue, I want, yesterday me play a song where I give thanks to people who. Creighton, we need to link up, Okay, because I know you're there. And, you know what? No, you're there, well, say you're there around the corner from me, so we need to link up, man. We need to do road. But anyway, but me have to go Atlanta this weekend, so go host the pre-Father's Day show. People, you see, yesterday I play, I look a song when I did a big up a whole heap of people who did it for me when I go through my thing and I grow down. Yeah, man, I don't forgive thanks to people who did it for me, Grateful, man. Even right now. And when I talk about people giving money or whatever, right now, I know people, I not talk to them every day, I not talk to them every day, but they're people, I just love them energy, I'm going to give thanks to them energy that I can be partaking of their energy, just them present. They may send me a text or whatever. And me just at a stage where I just appreciate good people. Yeah, man, I appreciate good people right now, man. I appreciate good people. And I have to chat to them and bother them every day. But them flashing on my mind and thing and whatever. You have a game. You have a game, man. Show you a game, No me think I lie, me. You see that game, man? It up here, sir. It named Alien Shooter, you see it? You see it? That one. It named Alien Shooter. Right? I know a man say, I would never date a man who play a video game. I'm not a gamer. Anybody who know a gamer, you know what who gamers are like, So I'm not a gamer, and I don't want to be a gamer. I could never be a gamer, no. I'm too busy. I don't even have enough time for whatever. But this game, Alien Shooter, my boys, them laugh off of me, right? Them laugh off of me. See that? So, with this game, I'm showing you something. You see which one I'm there? That's 197. But the level 197, right? Apparently, it goes to 200. So you see it goes to 200, right? But you see that purple something there above it? You see that purple something there above it where I turn and I turn? You see it? It can reach them, the people that won't make it, If you look down here, it tell you what this purple something is. So if I come back here, if you look down here, so you see down here, so you see that something, it'll tell you what a purple something that is, right? And if you look good, it says the multiverse. If you see it, it said the multiverse. Such a nerd, right? Now, why am I showing you this? I have been playing this game for years and years and years. I'm playing this one game. For years and years and years. No, I don't play it as a gamer, right? I don't play, I don't follow up with a new game. That is my relaxation. That is one of my relaxation. Sometimes, like, that I'm a depressive, so sometimes if my depression kick in, just take a break and play the game. Right? And my relaxation, man. My sons are flabbergasted because what happened? One day, I was stuck on one level in this game for 7 months. 7 months I'm in one level and can't get out. And my son, they couldn't, because they play to win, right? Right? They're gamers, my sons, they're gamers. They play to win. And they were like, but daddy, you're still at the same level. And I'm like, listen, yeah, I play to win and I try to figure it out. But winning is not the most important thing for me in this game, right? I just enjoy playing it. So it's my relaxation. And even though them have difficulty, I grasp that, them have different kind of like, who does that? Who play a game and you stuck at one? I am at another, I'm at 190, it's incrementally more difficult as you proceed, as you go through the stages. And I'm at another stage, I'm at 197 for about 2 months now. But I'm a little relaxation. I don't know. I may end up being there for a year. Is my little relaxation. I mean, some want to play that the Candy Crush sitting there and some other sitting there want to play ping pong and a phone thing that this is my thing, right? People, so when I go by the TamFam get together, I play the game. Anthony, Papa answer, yeah, I play that, yeah. Sometimes I can't bother with it. I'm like, you play Alien Invader? And he's like, yeah. I'm like, I'm not the least bit surprised, man. Whenever I ask that, again, I tell them what it is, Anthony and Norval, them just chill, them just chill, And whatever. So you have these little parallels and things like that and whatever. Me, I enjoy life. Them look at something, I enjoy life. I'm there around good people. I'm there right now. I'm there around good energy. I can call certain people and what I reason with them and say, what you think about so and so on? Right, people send something to me, good energy, man. And there's something there, you understand? So when I say, I give thanks to people who enrich on existence, And you see the people who beat out your nastiness in some point or whatever. Listen to me, man. Say I told them I remember, how many people used to beat me, when I got through my plaid phase, People, say one time I was a little Macy's junkie. Yeah. Because Macy's did that Macy's did that one thing, I don't know if you don't know. Macy's did that one thing where them they are selling some $20 shirt. Them they are selling some $20 shirt. Hershey pie, how you there, pan? Them they are selling some $20 shirt. But I must be because them a plot make them was $20. Men a business. Me they like them, So me go through my little plaid phase, People know say them beat the time from them beat me, the old crosses, them, Yeah, one of them was Tony Fox. Tony Fox. When me did I go through my plaid phase, Tony Fox beat me when me did I go through my plaid phase. She one of them. Them beat me, go, them beat me, come. Them beat me. It was so painful. Right? It was so painful. Them beat me. I'm hold it like a G with through my plaid face. Yeah. Because I didn't like them Macy's $20 shirt. They were nice. Because I live in Florida them time, so the winter not down there, so them not really change them thing that much and whatever. I tell you, say I rock my plaid shirt. Them beat me. Tony Fox, please to kiss out my butter pan again. Go from here, some man. Right? You see, you go through that to me there, I know. No. But I don't know them are going so, because one time gone in Jamaica, plaid did I run the place, I want me a long time, though. A long time, though. No, people, from them time, the plaid never come back. a woolly style go out and come here and whatever, you know, Plaid never really come back, you know. John know them fight against Plaid, yo. People, why Munchie ever come in the chat, but before I was even born? Well, why? People, look at what. Hold on. People, Polka Dot never come back. A long time Polka Dot no come back, no. Zion Train say Plaid never left. In your mind, Zion Train, you're lucky. Run out in a Plaid, no? Them nowadays, woman run up in a Plaid shirt and think them. I say, oh God, you know, say, me did really want to go with you, but my mother called me and said she's sick and what. Yeah, them a woman nowadays, some of them not go out with you in a Plaid shirt, you're lucky. Rude girl Mika. Polka Dot did come back? When? When Polka Dot come back? Me no say Polka Dot come back. Which year Polka Dot come back? Which year? St. Alicia's, but it is coming back. Don't pay Anna mine or Edna there. Daniel said, right now, it's back. Polka Dot. Birds, yes, I'm wearing one right now. You wearing one that means a Polka Dot come back. You could be stuck in the 80s. Right? No. Stasha. Even me know that. Stasha. Me don't know where you get that from, Stasha. That is a cardinal rule me hear woman with when me I grew up with a Jamaica. Cardinal rule. You don't wear polka dot with stripes. Somebody pray for Stasha. Somebody pray for Stasha. Oh God, Stasha. Where you get that something there from? Boy, you wear polka dot with stripes. Stasha. Even me. We are clapping with them something I know say that. Stasha, seriously, Rafa, you're too old. Watch how you're dead right now. Watch how me go flap your career, but me too old right now. Watch how me go flap your career. Watch how me go flap your career now, Stasha. Right? You hear what me say to her? Me tell her, say, me hear the woman them from your group, me hear that, you know. You don't wear polka dot with stripes. You hear where she gone right now, you're too. That's why I'm not telling you nothing, you know, because I don't know, let go no, right? Whatever, you see it. Everything are all no. People, if I true me I tell, right true. If I lie me I tell, right LIE. If I true me I tell, right TRUE. Right? Leah, and I mean, ladies, isn't there a rule where I want to say polka dot don't wear with stripes? Right if I true and right if I lie. Because me I tell her, say, I know me, my woman, me, a Jamaican woman, watch a beard true. Stasha, you need help. And after me I try help, you know, yeah, come and try turn it round about my hole. You don't know how to dress, Stasha. Try don't come round me dress if me and you go out or whatever. Anyway, me I carry up on a date and you come out in our striped blouse with one polka dot skirt. You're not going anywhere. You're staying home. All right? You're staying home. Bernardina come in. Bernardina come in and I say she come defend it and I say Stasha right, you know. Bernie, what you say? Here you know.
May I drive. So quick and fast.
Yeah.
Polka dot is in right now.
Oh.
And there was a rule with no stripe and polka dot, but I have a striped dress that has polka dot in it. So the rule changed. Bye.
Not about the rule change, but Bernie. It's a drive-by Bernie make, you know. Right? It's a drive-by Bernie make. And think, watch a superpower. Yes, it's in now. Right, it's St. Alicia's did right. St. Alicia's did right. But well on, Bernie I try wait name the thing and whatever. Listen to me again, you know, because I don't know if Stasha listen to me about me too old, you know, and whatever, you know. I know me come up, me don't know about them something there, you know. Me don't know about them something there. And when I grew up, me hear Jamaican woman them a say that all the while, you know. So, shall we wear polka dot with stripe? I want to. No, you don't wear polka dot with stripe. Some of them know where Stasha get that from. Polka dot with stripe. Go see how she full of whole heap of confusing color and things. She better careful because bees we all take her up and all and sitting there. You understand? Right. Polka dot don't go with stripe. And when Bernardine call in and say it, you have to take that with a grain of salt. Because remember, say Bernie head I go, you know. But yeah, I don't know what I cause it. I don't know. Something I go on with Bernardine head I go. We all know Bernardine head I go. We put her in our hospice or something. I get somebody to look at her. Because Bernie head I go, so we can't count what Bernie I say. You understand? Polka dot don't go with stripe. It don't look good. It don't look good. Polka dot and stripe don't look good. Perhaps that's just reflecting some of the mentality, right? You know, because it's like a postmodernistic madness that is going on right now. If you're not writing and your head gone a little bit and you're mad somebody in a clean clothes, then you might think the polka dot go with stripe. I want to road girl make about it go good. It don't look, polka dot don't look good with stripe. Polka dot don't look good with stripe. No, me know say Shade, you're right. You have some people do some unconventional thing, you know, and they make it work. Right? And they make it work. But no, we don't think say Stasha one of them. Stasha is one of them people who will make it work. Stasha don't know that's something there. Right? Stasha don't know that's something there. Stasha, when you're not cuss everybody else and say them, oh, TikTok, stop, man. You will do your show in on TikTok. Just I tell you if you do all of them something if you want your stream go and do this, do that. Yeah? Stasha, when you cuss the rest of them and tell them say them all to me alone you have strength for down. A weak fence me have down. Eh? A weak fence me have. Oh, you know cuss the other people them too and tell them say all them all too. Eh? Oh, you know do that. Right? No, man, I tell you, when me go through my plaid phase, though, you know. Let me see where that look across is here. Come and say, no. People brace.
Get on. Move. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, darling. How are you?
No. When I want the butter up before you come try to kick
I'm
on my
not
foot.
buttering you up.
No, you can't come on the sykes or whatever. I come, hello. I'm about to stab
Hello.
you. I'm about to stab you in
Hello.
your neck. Hello.
Hi, darling.
Whatever,
How are you
man.
feeling today?
Whatever. Say
You
what
look
you
nice
say.
in that blue.
Say what you say. Say what you
You
say.
look nice in that blue.
Bring the wire. Bring the wire. Bring the wire.
No,
bring
it's
the
no war. I come in peace. I'm a lover and not a fighter. But
Whatever.
listen, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
You see, when you're teaching things that I have no idea and I'm learning,
Mhm.
I sit back and I just learn and I take it all in, right? And I don't really contribute because it's something new to me and I'm just learning it because you're very knowledgeable, right? But you see, when you're talking about like fashion and stuff, and the women in the chat, because I see Bernie Colton said it, Sasha's in the chat, she's saying it. It's a couple of people saying it. That is an old time thing where polka dot and stripes don't go. That's an old time thing. Adidas just launched a really good line with polka dot and stripe. So you can sit there and talk about polka dot and stripe don't go. What you don't know, I think that's when you're supposed to sit back and be the student. Because sometimes the master have to be the student and sometimes the student becomes the master, right? So you just sit back and you just take it in. But I'm telling you, polka dot and stripe can go, and the people, that's old time thing. Back in the day, they didn't mix it. It mixed now, and it looked good. Okay, honey?
You done?
Sweetheart?
You done?
Sugarfoot?
You done? All right.
Listen, for Father's Day,
I
got a present for you for Father's Day. I'm gonna send it to the P.O. box, and I want you to use it, and I want you to actually like do like a little live or something or video and post it when I send it and when you go do it.
No,
I'm sending you, okay?
No, the last one you sending, I want drop draw sing you send me, you know.
Listen, I hope you get a lot of drawers behind it.
No man, I want drop draw sitting you say, man.
Yes. Listen, I have good taste.
No man, I'm gonna put on that, you know. Yeah. Women have a way when man smell good around them. If you dress good and you smell good, women there's some little suckle things where women do and whatever. If them know you
And
enough,
that's something
if
to.
them know you enough, them will tell you like, yo, you smell good. What's that?
No,
But
even if I don't know you, if I see a man and he smell good, I'm gonna compliment him.
but
I
that's how
give
you
compliments to
bold
men.
like that. But me I tell most
Yes,
women
I am bold like that.
you in a golden cross and you have on your thing and you walk up and thing and then we do a little thing like.
Yeah.
And you know what the
I don't know. Ever since you did that fast,
beat them. You know the wanna beat
ever
them.
since you did that fast, your face looked nice, and I don't know what's going on with you since you did the fasting you was doing. I'm not. Boy, you looking like that? What happened to you? What's going on? No, I'm married. I'm married. I'm not dead. Listen, I'm married. I'm not dead. But I'm just saying that ever since you did that fast, I don't know if the cells them rejuvenate or whatever you said something was supposed to be happening with the cells,
that's
but
what
your
I'm telling
face
you.
looked nice.
No,
Your neck look, your double chin gone. You look nice. No, I'm serious.
No, I'm
not just
telling you,
saying that.
if you fast,
I know I'm not the only person
hold on.
that gave you.
If you fast, I'm gonna sleep last night. I'm nap again. I've been staying up all night. But if you fast, them say 3 days. I say 4, but them say 3. 3 is a standard. But if you fast for like 4 days, you literally regenerate your cells.
No, you more than regenerated cells.
I'm telling you,
No, I'm telling you. I'm looking at it. I can't imagine the person that got to feel it.
Anyway, so when I say that no man, that color way is bad no brown bed, me I tell you man. And me like about it too because some Caribbean people when they're not used to something and go too hard with it. So you have some people
It just very little.
Yeah, some people they put on them thing and when they
Too
weird
much.
on the road, they smell like
Yes, you can smell them. Right. But that one stays. It lasts. It's a good expensive
and
cologne.
Yes,
and
it's classy.
It's classy.
Yeah. Say not cheap.
Drop draws for real.
And classy women appreciate classy smelling thing and whatever, so. Yeah,
I got another one in mind for your birthday this year. Don't worry.
All right. We see what.
Yes.
No, yeah, go on good this, but me still hold it. And all you see like how you're a full-bodied, curvy woman and thing and whatever. You not gonna look good in a too much color than sitting there. Unless they are Jamaica on the beach down there. But you see all you have on too much and then color something there with polka dot with striped and get. Remember, when you say polka dot most time are multiple colors, right?
Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's just a black and a white or
That's why I said
so
most.
that's why you have to dress according to your body, and I dress according to my body. So I wouldn't put on a bunch of color like I'm a clown, but I'm gonna put on something that works for me and my body.
Right.
That when I walk down the street, I'm gonna, turn a couple of heads and maybe somebody might.
Me say polka dot and stripe. That's doing too much. That's doing too much.
Okay.
And
right. So when I wear it,
kudos
I'll
to
post
the people them who can rock it and make it look good because you have some people know for put them things together. But me know so from me I grew up from I'm a mother generation, so I can't really say. But
I told you it's old time something. It's not now. Now you have to get with the times, Raga.
No.
Now they mix it.
All these times when Jamaicans are saying it, other people are rock it,
Right.
No, let me be clear. Okay, Benetton, right? Benetton.
Yes, I know Benetton from back in the days. I know Benetton.
Benetton is about colors and,
colors,
whatever.
Yes.
There are people rocking polka dot and stripes with Benetton. Yeah, and Benetton, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
When me am there, who love that look of woolly pan noise pan him clothes and Versace, Gianni Versace.
Yes.
He played
I like
with
Versace
some of that.
too.
Yeah. Right, he played with some of them things. Now,
he like a lot of stuff on his clothes.
Yeah, him love a woolly pan thing. Now, me, Giorgio Armani, nothing. Straight lines, right, elegance, class. It just the seam alone or the material and whatever. Nothing on the part. Am I think that, right? So you find somebody like
it looked like it. That looks like that's your thing.
No, I might think that, man. It's like it's like power, confidence, majesty, sturdiness, centered type. That's details.
Virgo.
Yeah, details. Yeah, right. So I'm more an Armani person as opposed to When them one thing that go on with
But you was in a whole plaid phase. That plaid was. They said you went. Didn't you just say something about plaid phase? That's like
no,
you
but
weren't-
no.
But you
the-
okay?
the-
You
the
growth.
plaid
It's called
phase-
growth.
The plaid phase, was about my $20 Macy shirt.
Oh, it's about the finding. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, okay,
So
all
them
right.
look, so me I
All
say,
right.
but them I look good for them price and things. So me buy enough for them.
Okay. But Stasha was right. Big up yourself, Stasha. You was right.
What? No, whatever. Mad people love company.
And Bernie, big up yourself. Why?
Mad
Drive
see
safe,
them mad
Bernie.
people
You was
love
right.
company. What? Is it that Sinalicious and Bernie?
Mad people love company.
Sinalicious and
Mad
thing
people
whatever,
love
right?
company.
Yeah. Mad people love them mad people company.
Oh, shoot.
Right?
That's true. That's true.
Yeah, mad
That's
people
true.
love
You're right.
So
And I go good with mad people. That's
Stasha
true.
and
I
Bernie,
work
when
well
they
with
forgot
them.
the road. You Stasha and Bernie forgot do it. A beer car go crash
In our
round.
color, and our
A
polka dot, and
car
our
go crash round. And when they crash and the police come up and
Yes.
say, why you crash? And them I say, them 3 women they are passing and them outfit and them I couldn't say nothing. I run up in that light
backside, not
post.
you. No, I'm a body. I pass on them. Couldn't see
Yeah,
nothing.
I couldn't see
It's my
nothing,
body.
man.
It's not the color.
And I saw me run up in the light post officer. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I just want to call and, give you a little flowers and tell you that whatever, you're fasting, it was well worth it.
Why,
You should
thank
continue. Do it keep doing it because it looked like he even gave you a couple. You look younger.
No, fasting. Yeah, fasting make you. I'm telling
No,
you,
Raga, you look younger.
fasting is good.
I like the new red background too. I like the little red-black background going on there. It was another color before. Where I see another color? It was another color before. No.
Yeah, no, it was a green screen. Me did have on thing,
Yeah,
man.
but yeah, but even that, I don't know. I don't know. You got clarity or something. You change up and no, you look good. You look good.
Why, thank you.
Keep
thank
up the
you.
good work. Keep up the good work.
Thank
I know she's pretty happy.
With what?
K.
Okay,
I'm talking about K.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going like, you don't know my business, eh? It's
No,
all-
I don't know your business. I don't know your
It's all
business.
about K. You think you easy when
And
you
I like Dr.
when you go
Mac.
to boom and
That's
test
who I
the
want you to
water.
be.
When you go to boom
Yes,
and test
Dr.
the water.
Mac.
I want man
Yes.
to like slip on all them something there.
No, don't slip. Because you might slide in the wrong water. Don't slip.
No. That not happen.
Don't slip.
That not
Don't
happen.
slip.
That not happen. It's when me did young. It's when me did young and just I learned the
Yes.
game. And me I said, no, sir, me can't
Oh,
fumble.
wrong hole.
No, here where my
Oh.
technique is no. And a lot of men will tell you this. Because when me young, me think I me figure out something about find myself. Now when me get looking at all, I must say, right, move on. So the whole I would do that. The whole I would.
Oh,
You know what
okay.
you do now? For you know what I miss? You make sure say you touch from up here, so you know. Then you slide.
Oh, when you don't
And
slide
you see when
down.
you slide, you don't move. You stay right there. So when you reach right at the doorway, you hold your hand right there. So and then
The
you
first hole, you stop there.
yeah, and then you call me some man and say, come. When you don't move
That
your
is
finger,
it.
don't move your finger the way that. And then
Tour guide,
you
right?
use the other
Tour
one and
guide.
say, all right, come, Mr. Man, come.
Right. That's your tour guide.
Yeah, I'm a swear to me smart now and I'm in technique, and I say, boy, I figure it out. Never again you that yet, never anything yet about you in the wrong this or wrong that or you over or come up back or whatever.
Okay.
Hey, my brother, I said, man, you stop your foolish, man. I do that too. No one I would do that. No one I would do that.
Okay.
It's like, okay, do me young, you know, type
Okay.
of thing.
Yes, when you're young. But you still look young. That fasting did a good job for you.
All right, thank you.
And you're licking your lips and
Don't know,
stuff.
no, man. What I'm
Okay,
telling
all
you.
right, okay. And you're so intelligent. You know, women like men they can learn from. No, I'm
Sinner.
serious. If you could teach me something, I'm in love. Teach me something.
All right,
I'm a good
sinner.
student.
All right, sinner. All right. All right.
Okay, all right. And you're so intelligent.
Sinner, why you don't get off the phone? What's wrong with you?
But listen, I just want to call and tell you that and tell you to have a great day and
Thank
let you
you,
know
dear.
we all love you over here.
Give
And even though
thanks.
you beat me, come on, you beat me, go, I still love you.
Yeah.
And my toilet is clean. My bathroom is clean. I went and got another pedicure today. Okay? But don't worry, you soon get your pedicure.
You got a pedicure today? No, me know.
Yeah, I was gonna send you the picture. I started to text you today when I was in
Send
there
it,
getting my
send
feet
it.
done.
No, me need.
Yeah.
Me need. No, man.
Don't worry, I soon take care of you.
No,
Don't worry, I
man,
soon take
man,
care of you.
man,
Don't worry, I soon take care of you.
We
Just now.
You know.
Just now, you ripping up the people them sheets.
Well, am I sheet and all right. Here, my good.
All right.
All
Okay,
right, boo boo.
okay. All
Blessings,
right.
man. That's our
Okay,
word, man.
darling.
All right,
Have a
sweetie.
good
Cool.
night.
Yeah, man.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Once in a list as a troublemaker, you know. You see it. Dun, 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 dun. Where this thing at now? Let me see. All right, people, I'm telling them I ride and whistle. Not for work with me. Oh, take now come. Hold on. No. Okay. This thing I never right. Oh, Pete. Oh, man. You see it? And just like that, need a new keyboard. And I can't use any keyboard. And I have to use keyboard for man and. I don't want a keyboard for no woman and. You see what I'm saying? All right, hold on there. Ride and whistle, we are ride and whistle, you know, the work have to go on. With this thing, I don't know. Oh, Jesus, man. These people didn't even tell me. Tata. Thanks for your patience, guys. All right. That is that. Okay. All right. Baby lips. Wow, go down. You still there, Jamaica? Baby lips, you still there, Jamaica? Oh. You behave yourself down there? No. Bet you not. That person now going. People, me a old man, you know, right? Me tell you already, and no problem, not believe me. But you see what sinner say? You see if you just cut out sugar, or just decrease sugar, it can't be in a 1 day or no whatever. Just cut out sugar. You cut out sugar, within 7 days to 10 days, you start look younger. Just sugar. Sugar hold you up, you know. I must think a joke thing me I tell you no. Proven. Just cut out the sugar. Yeah, drink a little tea. Me did I hold some tea today, you know, and some ginger tea before me come in, you know, whatever. You just cut out sugar and you see the difference. Within 7-10 days, you see the difference. And when we say sugar, you cut out sugar. You know, sweeten this, you know, sweeten that and whatever. But you have to be aware of what else called turning a sugar, right? Bread. Big culprit for Caribbean people. Bread. And rice. And dumpling. Starch. Right? Because you know where we come from, we think that if we cook, it automatically good for you. Oh, it cook and a dry food, a cooked food is good for you. A lot of our cooked food, our starch cooked food not good for you. But me I bring in Zion train, but he not come in now. And see, watch I get cut off. I don't know why I go on right this. People make people tell them, man, when me used to sweeten my coffee or sweeten my tea, man, I'll 4, 5, 6 sugar, you know. But sometimes I'll hate. That I just tea, you know, but me coming like. Somebody said to me a while ago, like, when people get older, them not like them things sweeten anymore. Like the taste now. Me used to love sweet something, you know. Me not like nothing too sweet now, you know. Me like drinks now upon a level where when me did younger, we at Jamaica, and I said, no man, this fresh, it want more sugar. But that's something you like it now, even if it have a little sweetness to it, you know. You see what I say?
Hey,
Hello.
Raga.
Wagwan.
Hi, everyone. Not now, go on, me there.
Yeah. You just there, so?
But I want to ask about the fasting, though. When you fast, right?
Mm-hmm.
You fast without eating for the entire 3 days, or do you break the fast and eat at a specific time?
No, we don't eat it. They don't. No. The cellular regeneration fast, you can't eat. But you do have fasts where people, for example, you have 8-16 fasts, or some people do 420, which is them just eat within a 4-hour window. And then once I'm outside of the 4 hour, then them don't eat. And what that do is it decreases insulin resistance. So it allow your body to recycle to a certain degree. So your body only process food where you get within 4 hours. Some people do it 8, right? Some people do it from 12 midday to 8 at night and some people do, so that's a 8-16. But you do have that type of fast. And then you have some people who not eat, you have juice fast, you know. So them not eat starch, but you have green juice fast, for example, you know. You have some people them do tea, right? But the fast for me I talk about, even if you're going to do tea, you have to do something like a yerba tea, YERBA, yerba mate tea. And some people them have to bust the gas and all them something there, whatever. But some people, even the bust gas, them just drink hot water, believe it or not. Literally just drink hot water when them are fast.
Okay. So I have been on a fast, like where I go, like say I will eat my last meal at 6 p.m. and then I don't eat until 6 p.m. the other day. But what I realized, I think I need to do the 3-day fast that you're talking about, where I don't eat for 3 days, because I think my body gets immune to the 1 meal per day thing. So it's like I don't see much difference. Like I don't see where um my body is different then. So that's why I asked you.
Okay. When you fast, why to what objective do you fast? What do you fast? Do you fast to lose weight? Do you fast for health reason, or what you fast for?
I want to lose weight and I want to regenerate my cells. So I want to basically do a fast where I kind of reverse aging, meaning like I want my body to, instead of working and metabolizing food, is to repair cells then. I want my body to repair cells and stuff. Yeah.
Right. So, well, you have to do at least 3 days. That again, the standard literature out there, the people who are experts at this, they say 3 days. For me, it has to be 4, or or what they may do 5 for the first time. But if you want the cellular regeneration, right, you want to do at least 3 according to them. I say 4.
Okay.
Because you want to pass a stage that what they call autophagy. Are you familiar with that?
Yes.
Right. So you want to do autophagy, and then so the way you fast, like people who do OMAD, 1 meal a day, they're basically keeping their pancreas healthy and they're keeping the insulin level low. So the glucose level is low because food turned to sugar. So they're keeping that low. And there's benefits from that. And again, remember, no, I'm not an MD. I'm a PhD, so I'm not a medical doctor. So me have to research it through and read and then try this and try that. So I'm just telling you what I have read. And but there's benefit from the way you fast, right? There's
Yeah, because I don't look my age. Because a lot of young guys in the 20s, 30s try to holler at me, and I'm like, I could be your mom, and they were like, what?
wait, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. I'm doing the show, you know. Oh, but me in at the middle of the show now, yeah. Me call you when me done here. All right, cool.
Yeah. I was saying to some extent, I think the 1 meal per day for about a year or odd, I've been doing that. I think it works because when I'm walking with my only child, because I have one son, people always assume he's my boyfriend.
Boyfriend. No, the OMAD is great. It's great. Pete, listen, we don't, again, you know, it's BS, you know. This was something designed by cereal makers and then people who sell food for say you need 3 meals a day and you need a breakfast and whatever. Our ancestors, them never, you know, them never eat no 3 meals a day. Them never depend on a program. And them eat when them can eat and them never overeat and all these things and whatever. But OMAD, 1 meal a day is absolutely excellent. And it's something, if you do that for a while and that's your lifestyle, you're going to see the benefits of that. Because you're basically only giving your body what it needs. Right? If you give your body more than what it needs, your body have to figure out what to do with it. And it start put fat on your liver, it start overwork your pancreas because your bloodstream must only have a little bit of sugar in it. So you find when you eat and it turn in a glucose, everything are going in your bloodstream. The pancreas have to pump it out. When it can't pump it out, you have what is called insulin resistance. And then you have these conditions now where, for example, these terminal illnesses, it fuels them. That is what I'm finding out, you know. That these, for example, illness need energy. Illness need energy, right? And what am I finding out now, like, them have a new term now, type 3 diabetes, where them realize that it cause dementia in a people who get older and them something there with the Alzheimer's and them thing there, right? And them I find that the sugar fuel it. And when you starve them things, them not have no energy for what it name there, right? Them not have no energy for flourish inside of you and whatever. So them not weird on your body and your ecosystem and your immune system and then make you look old and haggard and whatever and thing like that. You follow me, I say? So you find, so when your body, you know, see, you have enough people who work out and drop down dead, see me.
Yeah, I see that all the time.
Yeah, because them still inside of them still the nutrition partner second. Right? And them eat too much. And back in them day, they make anybody tell you, back in the day when I work out, them say, yo, if you eat up to 8 small meals a day, they were killing them. And keep your metabolism up. You must keep your metabolism up. That was the worst thing we were doing to ourselves and didn't even know it.
But as a vegan, them a tell me about say, oh, you have to eat meat for protein and it. I've been a vegan for years. And people you can look at my picture and
Listen to me. There's lots of protein in plants, like Jamaicans, like you would post like chickpeas. It's like loaded with protein. But what I'm saying is that you would post a meal and automatically a Caribbean person I say, so what the protein there? What the protein? I'm not seeing a protein. It's like an automatic thing for them or whatever. You know, but no, but you can't get protein from plants. You can't get plant-based protein.
yeah, and like what I realize as a vegan too, like when people who eat animals use the restroom, it's very high in that odor. But I always wonder why I don't like people always come and say, how come you not smell? How come this? I mean, I use deodorant, none at all. I mean, I use like deodorant on my arm. I don't use deodorant, and I don't when I go to the bathroom, I don't spray like some people would spray the deodorant after. So I see that it helps my body, like it helps my overall body because of what I noticed the difference when I used to eat like animals versus when I became a vegan, I can see that I don't need deodorant. Like I don't need it.
Okay, that works for you. But just so you know, there is some there's a two side to it. I know you know about a ketogenic diet now and whatever and thing like that. That is protein and vegetables, no starch and whatever. I just want you to know we are the descendants of people who ate meat. It's because they ate meat while we are alive, you know, right? In terms of their protein. So I'm saying there's an argument made out there where
I researched my blood type though.
yeah, okay. No, there's some serious scholarship on that too. Depending on your blood type, what is there's some pretty good stuff coming out on that. But I just want to remind you of this thing, yeah, all right. The fasting timeline for autophagy, right? This is what you need to know. 12 to 16 hours, glycogen stored sugar begins to deplete, right? Gentle time restricted eating in this window helps lower insulin and support early stage cellular cleanup, right? And then now 17 to 24 hours. So you just gone one day now, you know. Autophagy ramps up significantly as the body transitions into burning fat for fuel. You ever listen to them workout people when them say if you do aerobics, you don't start burn fat until after the first 20 minutes. You ever see that, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. So that's a microcosm of what this is on a more macro level, which is you have to burn off the fat first before the cellular rejuvenation can take place. And then them say 24 to 72 hours, 3 days, peak autophagy and deep cellular regeneration occur, cleaning out misfolded proteins and worn out mitochondria. So, the scholarship is basically saying if you really, so when you fast, you know, you're getting some sort of preliminary cellular regeneration, which is going to show on you, right? But if you really want that comprehensive cellular, deep cellular regeneration and thing, you're looking at 72, to 96 hours fasting.
Okay. Another question I have to ask regarding this health topic.
Yeah.
What about like when I lift weights and stuff? Like I don't really lift heavy like too much. I don't do too much heavy stuff, but I know I have to build muscle and I like to keep my body muscular. Like what is the cause for ketone in your urine? Is it that you're burning fat or what? Because I noticed that like when I'm losing like weight, I see ketones in my urine. Ketone, you know, ketone.
Right.
Like if I'm losing like say 1 pound per week or 2 pounds per week, I realize that the ketone level in my urine is a little bit higher.
Hold on. Let me just tell you, I have no idea what you're talking about here. So if I don't know, I'm going to tell you something I don't know. So I didn't even know you can see ketone in your urine. I didn't even know what that is like. So me don't know, I don't know anything about it. I do know that muscle is good. Muscle is good. People who have, all right, part of the reason why people get old and sick so quick and whatever is because they're less active and them don't have enough muscle and things. Because muscle burns sugar, right?
Calories while you sleep.
Right. Muscle burns sugar. Muscle burn, calories even while you sleep. Muscle is, a lot of where we are going. The reason why they're interconnected is because of our bloodstream, right? And the muscle now regulate your bloodstream in a ways that is healthy for you, So, muscle is always good. It's always good, All right, but that whole something where you say you'd have to talk to somebody who knows more about this because I don't know that part of it,
Yeah, I think when you're losing weight, you tend to burn ketone. It's a sign. You show ketone in your urine. It's like when it's very, very yellow, but it's not yellow like urine yellow. I don't know how to tell you. I don't know. You'd have to probably Google it.
That is usually a consequence of your vitamins, though,
I don't take vitamins.
No, you don't have to take vitamins to get vitamins. I mean, vitamins, what people do, it's just a manufactured version of the real thing. But you can get your vitamins from your nutrition. and still have your PP yellow because you get a lot of vitamins from your nutrition and not necessarily from pills. Pills is just an approximation of what you can get. That's why they call it supplement, because it's supplementing your diet and thing. But it's not a replacement, and it's never as good as natural vitamins.
Yeah. Sarita, not because he's not a medical doctor, it doesn't mean he can't read or understand medical research. I mean, I am actually, I got my degree up to graduate level, and I read medical research all the time and understand it to some extent. It doesn't mean that because someone doesn't have a medical degree doesn't mean that they can't
No,
read
no,
it.
no pay that on mine. No pay. Okay, no respond. All right, blessings,
But
man.
nice
Respect.
talking with you, Raga.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
All right. Bless up. Go and take care of yourself and act out yourself. See me and mash up the head. All right.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Blessings, cool. Oh. And Jameli says vitamins is a scam. Eat properly and you won't need it. Man, take people from a little bit Rasta, I said them something there, you know. Ask anybody, man. From a little bit. When they're Jamaica and Rasta was the original eat healthy group, you know, people, you know. And people used to laugh off at them and go eat some food, man, and show your mag or whatever. But Rasta was the first group me know at Jamaica. Ooh, they pump. Watch your diet, this and that. Watch your salt and them something then. And Rasta first me hear them something with at Jamaica. Right? Rasta have a term for it. Them call it ital. Right? And then I grew up with the people and I read them thing and know what sodium is and all them something there, whatever. I'm like, look at that thing, Rasta. I tell you that from Jamaica for a long time. Rasta the first group of people me say I exercise for health. And we used to laugh off of them. Cause I said them I go like them a soldier kind of what? Well, my uncle soldier train them way there, you know, kind of. No gym, nothing like so. We did have physical education, but physical education mean you run up and down. All right, people, listen to this, because I'm going to play, I'm not going to hear the sound of that sitting there, right? I want to hear what she has said. On the instinct. Most of the instinct going to be feel like Bonaro. But I want to reason objectively now and say in a level where and see if there is a legitimate posture to hold here to say, I disagree with her. I wouldn't live like that. But she has a point. Or you may say, no, she don't have no point. She wrong. She try to fix up something for it sound good, right? And then and some of the language is a little saucy, so brace yourself, make sure it's a picnic and listen and things. So here we go. Listen to this.
Hear me loud and clear when I say this. Girl, fuck you and that busted ass girl code. I will not stop messing with a man simply because he's married or simply because he has a girlfriend. I will come on this internet and beef with you hoes daily. All 7 million of you in my inbox, in my comments, even men too. I will beef with, I will not let off this man. That's our man, baby. Whether she want to accept it or not, the fact that he is saying he belongs to the both of us, I don't give a damn about what she's talking about, not in the slightest. At the end of the day, baby, how you gonna tell me that's a lovable ass nigga right there? The streets love him, she love him, I love him. Alexa, play, what is that song? I Love You by Faith Evans. Because baby, I'm not letting off. I don't care. Until we are in a solid poly, I will do what I got to do in the background to make that happen. I don't understand why women They act like, I don't know if it's being a girl's girl or what this is, but I won't put her happiness before mine. Why would I put the happiness of someone else before myself? That don't even sound fun. That sounds like the worst thing. I'd rather eat a box of thumbtacks than put another woman's happiness before mine. That don't even sound right. And so, with that being said, y'all keep saying, oh, she's messing with a married man. I don't believe in adultery. Oh, she's messing. Why are you in my business? You don't have to be here. That's the crazy part. None of y'all actually have to be on my page. So again, it is 7 million V1 over this nigga, and I will not get the fuck. I won't let go. I won't stop. So again, you can hate me all fucking day, or just mind your business. Those are only two options.
All right. So on the ear what she's saying, but just again, it's the type of thing you're listening, and then just by, conventional wisdom or whatever, like, oh, she's saying something bad, burn her out and whatever. But there's a couple things we want, now that you don't listen, I just want to hear. You see the part, there's a part where she say, is him, I say, him there with the two away. He's being open with it. She is saying, him, straight up with her and said, no, I want the two away. And then at another point, she said, I accept that. She basically said, she happy with that. Because him open her up front with it, and that is something she chose to do because she knows she get out of it. And she said, until she work with it, she go and work with it for be an open relationship, polyamorous relationship. So she said she just go and work with that and whatever. Right? And she said, and she happy. And then now towards the end, she said, I am happy. Right? I am happy. This man straight up with me. Him not hide this thing from him. Me know say that way, whatever. I'm happy. And you have to tell me, say me if I come out of this. So she's basically saying, also me nothing be happy. Me if I just deny my happiness right when it's this. Remember, the key thing right And I don't go on, She has said, the man say it. It's the man say it. So basically she has said, won't not come for me for? Right? Me happy. And me not gonna put phone happiness in front of my happiness. And she said, this is going to be a polyamorous relationship because of that him say, and me I work with it and things like that. So one don't come here and cuss me and whatever. So again, I don't know if you agree with it, But I said, just listen our meds.
Hear me loud and clear when I say this. Girl, fuck you and that busted ass girl code. I will not stop messing with a man simply because he's married or simply because he has a girlfriend. I will come on this internet and beef with you hoes daily. All 7 million of you in my inbox, in my comments, even men too. I will beef with, I will not let off this man. That's our man, baby. Whether she want to accept it or not. The fact that he is saying he belongs to the both of us.
What she said? She said, that's our man, baby. The fact that you want to say it or not. The fact that he must say he belong to both of them. So what she has said, she basically tell her that woman, if you can't work with it, leave. You obviously don't like it. But the other woman have a mind. The other woman said, but it's my husband. Right? She married her husband. And she goes, you're not the husband. Right? She said she a wife. So from your perspective, she said, why you not respecting the institution of marriage over here? But she's saying that it's not my obligation. Your husband openly and say him belong to the two away. So why you come and attack me for? Me happy, me work with it. Him open with it and he make me know him not hide nothing or whatever. I am work and you're going to hear she going at the polyamorous thing. So me just want to hear that part there where she say, you know what, accept it, But are your husband and say him belong to the two away? Like, seriously, where you come for me for?
That's our man, baby. Whether she want to accept it or not. The fact that he is saying he belongs to the both of us, I don't give a damn about what she talking about. Not in the slightest. At the end of the day, baby, how you gonna tell me that's a lovable ass nigga right there? The streets love him, she love him, I love him. Alexa.
The streets love him, she love him, and the wife love him and whatever. So attack man, You hear she's a top man, you know. And it have to be a top man. Because usually at them man they in another position where I say, one idea, I love the two, you know. Just work it out and thing, yeah. You know them man there, right? And I wouldn't be surprised too if him the key line there, the streets love him. Right? So it sounds like a man who have him dirty money. Right? So he's what you know called alpha male. Right? Them, you know, whatever.
Of the day, baby. How you gonna tell me that's a lovable ass nigga right there? The streets love him, she love him, I love him. Alexa, play what is that song? I Love You by Faith Evans. Because baby, I'm not letting off. I don't care. Until we are in a solid poly, I will do what I got to do in the background to make that happen.
Until they're in a solid polyamorous relationship, she's going to do what she has to do in the background to make it happen, to make it an open polyamorous relationship. Because she said, she's not going anywhere. She said, oh, I'm on that. Right? So you see that, I'm going to go and work with it for you come to your senses and just work with this thing because I ain't going nowhere. The man that own me up.
Alexa, play what is that song? I Love You by Faith Evans. Because baby, I'm not letting off. I don't care. Until we are in a solid poly, I will do what I got to do in the background to make that happen. I don't understand why women they act like I don't know if it's being a girl's girl or what this is, but I won't put her happiness before mine. Why would I put the happiness of someone else before myself?
But some people would say to her, like, that's her. She's the wife, right? She is the wife. She was there before you. They're married and whatever. That the institution should count for something. So that's the argument on one side, you know. That's where order and civility is maintained in society, and that's where rules are established that set boundaries and things like that and respect that. And some women do. Some women we all work with a man him there with somebody, but if they're married, no, because the married thing is a big deal for them. But she's saying, I don't care, because you're asking. She's saying she's happy right now, and you ask her to put another woman's happiness before her. So she said, don't give me that girl code bullshit. Right? Because that girl code nonsense is asking me to give up my happiness. Me find a good man, me happy with him. You know, a man hard to find, a good man hard to find out here. And a man here treat me good. The streets love him, you love him, I love him, everybody love him and thing. You can't stay there. So me must just give up my happiness in loving him and all them something there and thing. She basically I say, my girl, go hold your corner, yeah, man, because you even know what I go on. I better just accept it and thing. She basically I say, good man I go share, top man I go share if him want to share. Because that is key, you know. And I like to share insidiously a sneak around and do so and so and so. Is the man set it openly? And him set it? So when so obviously you can't say nothing to the man, you know, because him set the order, you know. So you now go to the man, you know. But you go talk the other woman where the man openly say, yo, I'm a woman that too. And you are staying in it, you know. You are staying in it because you know where you get out of it, no? Right? And the man set it. So she say, yo, the street, everybody love him. What you think? A proper man you have. You're not going to get her from that.
Oh, what this is, but I won't put her happiness before mine. Why would I put the happiness of someone else before myself? That don't even sound fun. That sounds like the worst thing. I'd rather eat a box of thumbtacks than put another woman's happiness before mine. That don't even sound right. And so, with that being said, y'all keep saying, oh, she's busy with the married man. I don't believe in adultery. Oh, she's busy. Why are you in my business? You don't have to be here. That's the crazy part. None of y'all actually have to be on my page. So again, it is 7 million V1 over this nigga, and I will not get the fuck. I won't let go. I won't stop. So again, you can hate me all fucking day, or just mind your business. Those are only two options.
Right, sticky. All right. What I have to say about that one here, because let's be honest, you know. In Jamaica, we say matey and wifey and whatever, but Let me see what I want to say. Somebody says she's absolutely correct. Somebody says sharing is good. Somebody said more power to she, I wouldn't do it. Somebody said I understand her viewpoint. Somebody said woman for run with them man there. She can, yeah. You can leave. Somebody said help the wife stay sane. The whole helper concept, like, yeah, the bonnet woman at the help. Right? Top man a pay master. Somebody said, right, him have the means to take care of both. Obviously, that's what's going on right here, right? Somebody said, that's not a flex, the way she make it sound. The dude made her feel very comfortable to speak on that level. Hell yeah, you're 100% correct about that. He's open with that. Right? Somebody said, the same thing I come for her down the road. Isn't it weird that that always happen, you know? The woman them who talk to, because she's pretty young and attractive and pretty by, contemporary standards. But you know, every woman who me hear talk so end up them end up like say, oh, me think me did want to do it, but me want a future, me want to settle down and me want my own person or whatever. And them always reach a point where them get the people them used to defend it, and say, oh, me take a girl, man, me no response and whatever, and this and that. The man for share. Them always reach a point where either them like, yeah, I think me didn't want it, but no, me kind of want when them get older, you know. Because most women who talk, tend to be on the younger side, unless they live in a society in another country where that is the culture, as we know, there's all over Africa and these places, whatever, and thing. Or them get the man. Them get the man, you know. Like, them didn't have a thing where down at Jamaica, and a certain radio host down there, she did big panic too, and whatever, you know. When she take people, man, and come on the radio all the while, and I burn out the woman, them, the man, wife, them, you know. Several man, married man, she take her, she always go on the radio and burn them out, you know. But fear line was, we not take woman, man, we take over, man. That was our line, right? You know, that was a line in a Jamaica for a while. No, I'm not take her, man. I take over the man, right? And the man reach a point where the same thing happened to them and them a complain about it. Some other woman come now and I take the man. After them get the man, you know, some other woman come and I take the man. And I'm always intrigued when them come up with these moral arguments. Like, where were your moral arguments when you did that take people them man? People them husband. Right? And then when you take over the man and this and that, yeah, somehow it's different. It's different. Right? It's different. You understand? But it always happen. Where you sow, you reap. And then you have the reverse too, you know. You have a whole heap of woman out there who say, me did have my whole man I'm married and whatever, and woman never wrap up for come take him, because them know say me and him dead, them know I'm a husband, them know I'm a man, and them know say me and him dead. And then gone with him. And then them end up now ram for take woman, man. Right? No, some of them woman, you know. Yeah, some woman out there, you know. None of them call me show over the years and say, oh, Raga, whoa, a woman come wine with my man from me and whatever. Yeah. Me not ram for take woman, man, right now. I saw the rule go out there. You understand? So I see him and I like him and him like me. Me not busy if him there with anybody and whatever. Because the same thing them do to me. So me I do it, me not care. You understand? You have that something there out there too. You see what I say? Oh wait, I think somebody there up in that chat. In the box. So what have to say about that? If a girl them with my man, he was never mine to begin with. Alright, Kalia. See the Milo on point again. You can't take nobody from nobody. Like when you hear me joke about the man thief them and whatever, you cannot take nobody from nobody. Right? If that person don't want to go, them not go. right? So even if you there with somebody, you gonna waste your time across the person now. Where I come take my man for this and that, you know, see the man, whatever, you're wrong this, you know, talk to your man, right? But some woman now would tell, when me tell some woman that their argument was, no, Raga, me not talk to the man, me talk to the woman. And when I said, well, why you gonna do that then when another man if I talk to? And then I said, no, me know what kind of man me have. And I know say the type of man me have, other woman I go want him. And I know say him I go there with him I go do with them. So as much as me can discourage them from getting involved with him, it better for me. So that is a woman who accept it though, you know. I don't know if you want to see the difference. You know? As opposed to saying, the answer to my problem is for me to remove this woman and go get rid of her and whatever. Boom. That is one argument, which is just stupid argument. But on the other side, you have these women who say like, nah, I know ain't go. I know the type of man I'm so woman, I know a woman stay, so woman I go draft him. Right? So all the game play, as much as you can discourage them and whatever and come up with some way with them, when them engage in a calculus, them I say, why it a go take for them with a man here, me no want to deal with that. But of course that take time and focus and you have to apply yourself and whatever. Who wants to live like that? They do. Right? But I'm just saying, just I go on a different side where or some woman explain it and think. No, I have some woman who say, no, Raga, from Dine Kingdom come, there's competition for the top man. Them. Whoever the top woman is, you have to compete for her. Whoever the top man is, you have to compete for her. And sometimes when you compete, you have to just, if you get good out of it and it's nice, you have to work with someone so because of the top man. If you get some out of it and whatever, bamba, you have to work with it because of the top woman. You have some people who just say, that is life. Life has always been competitive. And you got to compete. Right? And you have to fight for your, they'll frame it like that, you know, they put some look a noble thing to it and say, no, you have to fight for your people, man, whatever. Like me, I'm not fight for no woman. Me defend my woman, right? My woman, I defend her, that different. I fight for her. Yeah, that different. But I don't fight for no woman to get her from no man. She must know she want to go. She want my body or him body, that's fine. Yeah. Right? Me not boo. For what? Well, you know, as one of my brethren say, Raga, you can't say that because your thing different. You have options and whatever. That's true. But you know, and his argument was somehow we have to fight for our one because we don't have it like you, we don't have options like you or whatever. And so I get it, but still, I don't know. Fight over whatever. The stage of my life, and no boy, I go fight. You want Tanya, you Tanya. If you want to go, you go. Enjoy life. Yes, I'm going to enjoy my life. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Yeah, when I babysit nobody around here, though. And as we say in Jamaica, when I pet and powder, nobody. If you go come boom off a jam, come boom off a jam. You hold your mouth, me hold my mouth. We not chat and make nobody know, though. And we go down. Yeah. See? If nothing not go on, and nothing. We all can cool same way down. And if I over there say you're there, over there say you're there, you know, over here so no more. Go on, man. We have options, don't you? You don't know why people are war over. Listen to me, man. In them day and age, you know, nobody should not war over body and pum pum, you know. Nobody should have war over body and pum pum. Whether married or not married. Right? Yeah, when you're there with somebody and them are going and whatever, yes. And you see where them are going and you talk to them and you don't like it, you leave it. You know, and you tell them, so I'm not going to leave, you know, because I can't work with this. You understand? Or you do enough people do. Them know so them partner cheat. And then work with it in some way because them say them want to stay. And then people have different rules associated with that, you know. Seeing anybody have anything to say? Come on, send on. Let's hear it. All right, let me look over here. Tell me something right and whistle, you know. Wow, we're doing well here, people. We're doing well here. Take time, I cut and go. What happened? Come over here, so. Oh, somebody have come up here. All right, my people, them have come up here now. K, Wagwan.
I good, Raga. How you doing? Good night, TamFam.
Proper. I'm a good man. Everything balanced, you know. Talk to me.
Yeah, man. Everything is blessed on this side. Is it Sunday coming? It's Father's Day on your side? Cause I know Mother's Day is pretty different over here. Father's Day is Sunday for you guys.
I don't think it's Sunday, you know, people. Not the other Sunday, Father's Day. You know, so I am hosting a pre-Father's Day show. But it does, so pre mean the other Sunday.
Yeah.
It's the 20th. It's the 20th.
Oh, okay. I'll be in the Bronx on Friday.
Oh, this
Yes.
Friday?
This coming Friday.
Okay. So, you just tell me now.
Well, I hear you talk about some about Connecticut and all that coming up later down.
Yeah. You
Okay.
want to go to that party up in Connecticut?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, you should come. You should. And our type of music here, our type of party and our type of music, you know.
Oh yeah, I feel the energy already.
Yes. What?
You heard me?
You feel the energy already here?
Yeah.
You for the party they do?
Yeah, man, feeling it, man.
How long you go there, okay?
I'll be right out there till about the first week in August.
Till the you here for a minute, Kay. Come on now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're there. Well, okay. Well, you have to link up, you know.
And you know that is a must.
You know who they are to Craigton there, you know, him coming from London, you know, flying from London.
Well, just based on the conversation, I thought that he was on the ground, yeah.
Yeah, man, him there, man. General there, man. Then we have to link up, man, proper TamFam thing.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Must be, man.
You can't leave here and we don't link up here. We won't have that.
That will never happen.
Right.
That will
because,
never happen.
You try that, I'm a hold him, I'm going to put you across my knee and spank you on your back, okay?
I like that, you know. Raga. I like that, you know. Yeah, man.
Well,
yeah, man.
Just about moving my board for say, but wait, I don't know if you do that, because you might like it.
No, I like it, man.
You like
arouse me, man.
Yeah.
Arouse me.
Well, you know, I look a spank on your butt, though.
Yeah, you wake it up, man.
That's right, though. Okay,
that's right.
I tell you, you're a gangster, you know, okay, you have that something there.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man.
You know, it's a Dr. Mac, not like when I spank her up and
all. Forget about Dr. Mac when I'm on the ground, man. Hey, okay.
Forget about that.
Forget about that.
Once you're up on the ground. When you're up on the ground, let go of that.
Yeah, tell Dr. Mac that I can do all things through Christ who give me strength, man. Go and sit down.
Jesus, peace. Wall our corner and thing. Go build back.
Yeah.
Go build back, so. Okay.
Build back, so.
Yeah.
We'll and come again.
We don't want you to come again. We don't want you to even come again. All right. No,
so we're going to finish up. We're going to finish up.
Yeah. No, any coming again, I go and I must you, not she. No, yeah.
I hear you.
That's right. So you say you like it spank, you like a firm spank or just a play spank?
No, I'll go with the flow. It depends on the motion.
Depends on the motion, okay. So
man. Yeah.
Sometimes you like a nice firm spank, but sometimes you just like a playful one.
Like some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in
Yeah, man,
Raga.
tell you, man, tell you, full of lyrics in that.
I just saw. Hey.
God, no, man.
Oh my
We
man.
definitely have a link up. But you see, the Bronx side,
We
yeah,
have
brother,
to.
right?
Yeah, I be in the banks, man.
All right,
Yeah.
now say a word, man. This brother make it up, man. All right, now worry yourself, see?
Right, man. Yeah.
So when you flying,
man.
when you flying?
Friday, I'll be over there like 4 o'clock your time.
Okay, Friday, I come in my place and things.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's
But I'll
not...
send you a message, man. I'll send you a message when I touch ground.
All right. Oh, you mean they have to make me know when you reach, man? You understand?
Exactly.
Everything
Of
good,
course. Yeah, man. I see how your face light up, and so I want to meet you, man. I want to meet you.
Yeah, I want to meet you too, Kid. I want to meet
Yeah,
you too,
man.
Kid. All right, now say
Yeah,
a
man.
word, man. See, it's gonna be happy to
Yeah.
see you, man. And then,
Of course.
I will have to run and take 2 pictures and run a little
Oh,
bit.
just for Dr. Mac.
Just for that.
Yeah, just for
No, we're gonna take 2 pictures and post it. We're gonna take 2 pictures and post it.
Just like that,
We're
man.
gonna
That's
find
how we
some,
roll, man.
Cause them have some nice seafood place up this right now. You eat seafood?
Oh yeah, I know.
You eat
Yeah, oh,
seafood?
that's all I eat. That's all I eat.
All right.
Seafood, man.
So we have to go like what seafood did, I see it. And then and then we have to video it and take picture and put it up and at up some people head. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
At up
You know
some
how
of
the
them
things
head.
go.
Yeah.
And Tasha, you got Sonia, you got Nikki, and even Big Bear got issues and all. Big Bear, yeah, come to the front of the class, Big Bear.
Weird. We're Tasha and Nikki, all them dropping, what with them?
Hot and Spicy and who else?
No,
Somebody
you
else,
just
man.
Antasha and Nikki. Oh, Antasha and Nikki drop in.
No. I'm saying we gotta take the photos for them.
Oh, for them see. Okay, me see where y'all going. Yeah, man. Them need to see that, man. At a spicy need to see how y'all roll and see what is class, because you know fear problem already.
Yeah,
You know?
and no polka dot and stripes for me. I'm not into that.
All right.
No.
Talk up, no man. Talk up, no
Me
man.
not do polka dot and
Talk
stripes.
up,
I
no
don't
man.
know. I don't know when that invention came in place, but I knew that there was off the chain long
the
time.
chain.
No.
They talk to them, man.
You
Talk
never
to
know.
them.
But
Talk to them.
unless if I missed something, maybe I missed
Talk
something.
to
I don't
them.
know, but
I call them a kuno mono, them a claffy, what them know about.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Them a live in the 1930s, man.
Yeah, them stuck back there. Them stuck back, so. Them stuck back, so. When I look upon them, when I rose, no polka dot with stripes around here.
No, not me, no.
Nah, work on whatever this. So what kind of seafood you love, Kay? I like, and you know, when I'm taking my ladies, I like, what kind of seafood you love?
I like lobster.
Oh, you like, oh.
Yeah, and I like you guys call it shrimps. We call it prawns here.
Prawn. Oh, you call it prawns? You call it prawns in Britain?
Yeah, we call it prawns in Britain.
Oh, you don't say shrimp?
No, but then again, there's a difference. You got 2 types. You got the shrimps. But we more say prawns on this side. There's a lot of things that we say differently to the Americans.
No, but you're right, though, you know. Some people distinguish shrimp from prawns, though, you know. Some people do that.
Yeah, that's how.
Some people are the same thing. Some people say, no, it's 2 different things. It's 2 different things.
And when I was in the Caribbean, we call that river fish.
We call it janga.
Okay, because you know that Good Fridays you go down to the river and you go down there and that's where you
catch them,
pull in. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, we in Jamaica, you know, the river, what you call the river, what you call river shrimp, I guess, where, you know, we call them janga and we make a distinction between them and shrimp.
Right, okay.
But I see them thing them, you know, one bigger and the
It's the same thing. Different islands have different names. I noticed that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Nikki know, she love janga. But she's weird though. She love to eat them from the back, you know. She hold the head and eat them and swallow them from the back and thing.
Oh, she like back?
No, I'm saying when she eat janga, she love to hold them by the head and then swallow them from the back. It's just fear thing. A fear thing.
Right.
A fear thing. Nikki, where you see in I chat all the while, a fear thing.
Oh, so Nikki do it.
I saw Nikki do it, yeah. She eat them back way.
How you know?
Eh? She not hide it.
How you know that?
She not hide it. She not hide it. She not hide it. Nikki not hide it. Nikki not hide it. She woman with it, man. If you ask her, she tell her, say, yeah, man, I true. You ask her, she not hide it.
I'm careful with the back of all things, you know.
No.
I prefer go to the front. You can't mess up when you start.
No,
at the
we're
front,
talking
you know?
about shrimp and janga. That's
But,
what we're talking.
and exactly that is
Okay.
what I'm on about. What do you think I'm on about, Raga?
Right. No, I'm just saying. I'm just here. You're submitting a qualifier, and I'm just wondering, was it even necessary? Because we're talking about
Well, I
shrimp.
learned from the best. You know.
And that
so,
would be who?
You know, I'm just
And that would be who? And
You-
that would be who?
no other than Raga himself, of course. The thumb box, you know.
Me, you know what? I have to be careful. All these people saying, Raga, when I'm talking to you, I have to be careful and watch what I'm saying, you know, because whatever, I can't imagine why anybody would say that. No, why would anybody say
Raga,
that?
you know why they would say that? Your
I have
facial
no idea.
expression.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Your facial expression just give you away.
I don't know what
you right away.
I have
You
no
know?
idea. I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm lost.
I hear you.
See. But I'm looking forward to seeing you doing whatever and thing. Whatever.
Yeah, man.
But after
Yeah,
meet
yeah.
up, TamFam style. But after meet up and things. See?
Of course.
All right, blessing, man. So what going otherwise?
man.
Everything balance up.
Yeah, man, everything right here. The allergies was on, but the weather kind of maneuver this morning, so it was a bit overcast, so that's all right for me.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Yeah,
come on.
that's all
It's
right.
always overcast in England. Always.
Not really, you know, because 2 Sundays ago we went right up. The heat was so bad, man. 2 Sundays ago, you know,
Oh,
it was
for real?
really, really hot over here. Really, really hot, man.
Oh,
Yeah, even some places caught fire and all.
yeah.
Yeah, it
the
was
way it did
extremely
hot.
hot.
What that are going over there?
Yeah, we had heat wave terribly. Yeah, it was crazy. And the Bronx is hot as well. So I mean, yeah,
Okay.
double trouble, you know, because I'm coming with some heat myself, you know.
But listen to me now.
Summertime.
I need some
Double
Blenda time.
Oh, you mean? Yeah, we need some heat over here. We need some British
I'm
heat up
telling
in
you, man.
this. You understand?
I'm up right up in there, man. Of
You
course.
right up in there, cause some of
Yeah.
them are cool up a thing over here. But them are lock door and all them something that when I look upon them, heat in the place. When
Heat in the place, man.
Heat
When
heat
Kate-
in the place when Kate touched down. Oh.
Right when K touch ground, man. Heat in the place, man.
Yeah, nah,
Trust me.
feeling hot.
Hot, the mind on fire. Me soul on fire, feeling hot.
Them dead, them just dead. Them dead. The whole of them dead when K drop, when K drop, the whole of them
do
dead.
on a night like this?
Sing for me.
Music sweet and me can't resist. Me need a party song, a fundamental jump. Let me room. Hold it down.
Them dead, yeah. The whole of them dead. The whole of them dead.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Raga,
He talk
the
to me.
Bronx not good again, no.
What?
Bronx not good again,
Bronx,
no.
Bronx not good again. And where Bronx
No,
not good?
man.
When
Me
K
go
drop
lock
the-
it up. Me go lock it up.
What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago, K? What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago? Eh?
Me go lock off the Bronx, man. Bronx not good again, man.
See there. Them in a problem right here now. All them people over New Jersey, I forgot all them corner, you know. You understand?
I'm telling you, man.
Yeah, all
Back
them-
up, man.
Yeah, all them New
What the
Jersey
hell?
people, I forgot all them corner when K drop in the Bronx and thing and whatever.
That's
Yeah,
right.
what, Dr. Mark, K a come Friday, see? So yeah, what me I tell you for do right here now. See if you can Kay said she go there till about August and she'll come Friday. So, here we are going now, Dr. Mark. See if you can find like one convent for going or one monastery or go upstate a bush. Go upstate a bush. Go somewhere up near the Canadian border there and thing where the be a Trump flag up there. So up there so you have to go. And whatever. Because we don't want no distraction and thing when we have fun, you know, because it's a call up thing. And your case she'll come with the heat around here. Okay. All right. Problem. See Carolee down in Florida, all down Florida, now go nowhere near act like we up here. Okay, that them for know, don't. Okay. Okay?
Hey.
Okay, you're good, okay.
Hey, man, we good, man.
All right, now say a word, you know, big up yourself here, and make sure say you link me when you drop in a Friday, all right?
Yeah, man. Say less, brother. Say less.
Man.
I got you. I got you. Say less. I got you, right? I got you.
Yeah. I know you
I
do.
got you.
I know you do, Kay.
I got you.
I know you do. I know. You got me. You got me. All right. All right. I'm looking forward to that. All right. Bless you.
All right,
You
man.
take
Bless some farmers, man. Good night.
All right, Kay. Love and blessings, man. Cool.
Yeah, man.
1K in a place, you know. One spiritual bit, Raga, you can't do doctor. Spiritual bits, why you always a defend doctor, man? Why you always a defend doctor? You always a buy out the argument for Dr. Mac, you know. Why? Why you always a buy out the argument for Dr. Mac? Eh? Why? Why go on this? YouTube people, big up on yourself, you know. All right? YouTube people, large up on yourself. Everything is everything. Satania. Long time Satania juggle with Raga, you know. Chacha, big up yourself. Munch British and thing, large up. Everything is everything, eh? The one Fritz not about today. With Java say, polka, it's stripe and plaid, never combine. Polka, stripe and plaid, never combine any of the two. See, polka dot, stripe and plaid, never combine any of the two. Java said that. See, Java post that. Polka dot, stripe and plaid, never combine any of the two. Right? Java said that. Right? Java said, trouble there, they can't come to take over. Problem, okay. Enough people head are going to hurt them. Migraine season are going to turn up on Friday, you know. Yeah. The pharmacy medication, them are going to empty. Any pharmacy then here where Dr. Mark live, the whole of them migraine tablets are going to come out and think from Friday. Oh, watch and see when K drop in a place and come through. Oh. Oh. And people can't go on like them a journalist, man. Well, people, I'm having printer problems, man. I buy one printer, only whatever they sign, it broke down. Me buy one Canon, a laser printer, it broke down. It's annoying, man. Let me tell you what enough people don't know, you know. The printing company, them, you know, them don't make them money off of the printer, them, you know. And off of the printer, them, they make them money. They make them money off of the ink. Right? And the way it name the for the laser one, them, and this and they make them money, you know. But in order for you buy them ink, you have to buy them printer. So it's like the printer itself is like what them call like a lost lead. Because if you don't have the printer, you're not going to buy them ink. But what happened is, there was this whole thing with the law, whatever, if you can, other people can make the ink and whatever. And cut long story short, basically, other people can make the ink. So the printing company basically did want to tie you in for say, if you buy for them thing, you can only buy for them ink. But the way the law is, other people can't make ink and you can't buy them ink. So you have people who make for them ink cheaper. So I saw the printing company, them I said, no, them a counterfeit thing, don't put no counterfeit thing in there because it not gonna work good and whatever, and it not gonna display good and whatever. So you find, it's like the car dealership thing. When you buy them car, a lot of car dealership, they make them money not from the car when them selling, The repairs, you have car dealership, they make more money on repairs, than they make from selling the car, right? So these companies and them come up with all these creative things, like if you buy a cheaper version of the ink, them come up with all these things for them make it work in the printer. But them not come out with it and make you know. But them do all them little trick with it and whatever, and it's all go right back to the money. Because them want you to buy for them ink. But when them lock you in, them overcharge you, because for them logic now is we're here to make money. And if only our ink you can buy, then we can't overcharge you, because where else you go? You can't go nowhere else. It's the same thing with the car dealership with what them call proprietary parts and all these things and whatever. Them a make them for say the only place you can go back for go buy parts for this a car or that the car there is from the dealership. And once you go to the car dealership, dog name your supper. Right? And them always know in a conflict with the various entities that are trying to stop them from doing that, because you don't want to manipulate the consumer that way. So you find a lot of them car people they're deliberately making their cars in ways to find ways where you can only use their parts. So you see, the more high-end you buy a car, the more high-end you buy a car, and the more you're going to get locked in, because it's less likely you're going to be able to find parts outside of the dealership. The printing company, they might do the same thing. They might do the same. It's annoying. It's very annoying. Before you know it, your printer just broke down. And if you link them and think, the first thing they might ask you, so what type of ink you have in there? Where you buy that? Oh, that don't work with no thing, you have to go buy it, so and so and so, you know. Right? First thing they might tell you, like, we can't really help you because you have, like, counterfeit parts in the thing and whatever. Hello.
Hello?
Wagwan CBS.
Hold on. Hello, my ANC sisters. How are you all? Hi, Raga.
What?
You know,
Hold on.
What?
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh. Me.
What happened?
No, true. Me, I wonder if you are one of them where stress I take you because Kia come Friday. Some of them.
Listen, that's what I'm called. Listen. Dr. Mac, I love you, right? But you don't put no effort because you're in the same state with Raga. You don't put no work in because you're right there with Raga. But guess what? Kay will be here. I'm say you slip, you slide. All right? Oh, God.
Talk up CBS. That's right. You see it? You split justice. See it there? Talk up CBS.
No,
yes.
I'm afraid when that link up happened. No, sir.
Wait.
Hey.
Where's a key in that building though? Yeah.
Yeah. Dr. Mac taking you for granted because you're right there. And she can do, not do no work because, Kay far away.
Yeah. I see it then.
She's gonna be right here.
Kay fly
right
across
here.
the pond and the right here with me and thing.
Yes.
Jeez and peace.
Yo, if Dr. Mac blink too slow, she lose you.
Watch out. No, sir. Go see Kea feed. Go see Kea feed me the lobster. Come, Raga. Come.
But hold on, Raga, you need to make sure you have your sneakers them lace up because like Kay gonna have you running.
Nah. What am I telling you?
Yeah.
No, we're big man,
Make
man.
sure your
We're not
sneakers
wrong.
them lace up
No,
good.
we're big man. But you see, you're not listen to K. You're not listen. You're not listen to K so far, you know. Cause K full of lyrics, you know. But when you push K just, you know, see K posture is always like, no. We're not force anything around here, you know. We're not forcing.
No, she's not. She's not
K
worried.
not
Least bit worried.
No, so when me I
well
run go,
confident.
when me I run go, you know, see, okay, I have like a calm confidence.
Alright.
You know, K thinks straight up, you know, you're a K say, listen now. This
Just know
this how K I go
K
say.
not back down.
No, this how K I go say, listen, Raga, we don't need no excitement, just saying. You can't go back to Dr. Mark later, you know. But here we go. Give me my 2 hours, I will good, right? Give me my 2 hours, and when you shell out my 2 hours, you can't go back to her, right? Because basically what K I say right now, you know. K basically I say, we're not fight over body. When we got it, you know. If we have the body lock, we have the body lock. We're not for fight over it.
And it don't look like Kay will shear when she's there. So, boy, Dr. Mac,
No, but I did say you have it wrong.
you just have to
I did say you have it
stay
wrong.
there on the side.
You know, hear what we just say?
You know,
You know, hear what?
I
K
ain't
don't
get to
even
look at what left.
listen,
I don't think there'll be any
hold
what
on.
left.
K don't even not think about sheer or not sheer. That is not even in our vocabulary.
Because she's not going to leave nothing.
No, all K I say, no, but you still get it wrong. K not opposed to Dr. Mac. I get K just want fear 2 hours. K get fear 2
K, I
hours to
got
whatever.
empty the tank.
What?
Watch.
No, but I mean, I throw a word pan now, you know. What you mean empty? Yo, my tank can't
Oh
empty.
my gosh.
My tank can't
She
empty.
gonna empty that.
What?
Empty that.
What? What?
Nothing now
tank
leave
can't
back.
empty.
Empty it straight.
First of all, the reason why my tank can't empty me, I must say me a Raga one pop, you know, so something I always left back when I have nothing for prove. That's why me and K, jail, you know.
Just
K
brace.
have nothing for
One
prove.
brace.
Me not have
So she
nothing
gave
for
you a
prove.
little warning.
What-
She
what?
gave you the date and when she's coming. So
Yeah.
just, ready up.
What, you know,
Yeah.
your case, she come to the Connecticut party.
Yeah,
Okay.
ready up. Just
All
ready
right.
up. She give you full warning and,
All right then.
give you a little,
All
know?
right then. You see what spiritually blessed.
Hush y'all, Dr. Mac.
Spiritual blessed always I defend Dr. Mac. But look what she just type in her.
Me too.
You know, see what spiritual
Me
blessed just
too,
type.
but-
You know, see what spiritual blessed step aside now.
Step aside. No.
K come to
K
take
is
over.
coming over.
Them dead. Them dead.
Certified. Next weekend, Raga will be in Connecticut. This Saturday, Raga will be in ATL.
Yeah, certified.
Yeah.
Certified come the party, you know. What name the explosion. Big people party at Connecticut next week, Saturday the 20th. Certified forward man, coming where you will do road, you know. Forward man. All right.
Yeah.
See,
All right.
wait there. What I name there? Oh, Lisa Don Sweet. What her name is? Lisa Don Sweet. Somebody in the chat name. You know. I think,
Oh yeah, she
I
said
don't know Lisa
2
Don
hours
Sweet.
and lock him down. Can't move.
No, when me
Like
think
I
me
say.
this, when me think me this see what her name is, lay down and do it, you know. But Lisa Don Sweet. What you say now about 2 hours, one?
No, that's what Lisa said.
Oh,
She said 2 hours and lock him down. Can't move.
Oh, that yeah. Me don't even see what she say. Her name me did all. No.
Yeah, so,
No, K can't mash me up them here though. K can't mash me up them
We're here to watch how this all unfolds.
No, if I anything I K I got tired and can't move when me done with them, you know. Yeah, man.
No comment.
Brace her. No, man, anything I'm gonna brace her.
comment.
Nah, man, when K get the Raga no rush shellings, right? Because I am all about the no rush shellings, you know. When I kill up myself, you know. You see, if I'm a setter, right? Cause I love keep up freaking when me I go out with my thing, you know. You see, I'm a sitter. I'm a say, all right, K. Go on like you know why I'm going in there now. I make my force him. Go on like you know why I'm going there. I make my force. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But like I said, I'm looking forward to see how this drama unfold
Edge it, Panky.
and see who gets missing.
What? First of all, you know this
know.
Dr. Mac doing me in a chat right now. You know, it's from what
I
day
know,
she
we
not
have to
there.
go send out search and rescue.
No, from what day she not there.
No.
She not there. From what day she not there. Right?
Oh boy.
Right? She there the rehabilitative place, right? You know what the place, right?
Which place that?
You don't know, she have one evening class where she do one Kegel class, one Kegel.
Kegel.
Yeah.
Mm.
That she do an evening
up?
time, I bail back, she do some Kegel thing, you know?
Oh, for brush up. Okay.
Yeah, she try.
Okay.
You see your tal mix up. Raga, you're going to dismantle
Leave Tal alone.
But Raga, you're going to dismantle K prosthetic leg. You see what she out of you see?
Take her one.
No, somebody didn't even take what Tal food for true. Somebody didn't even take what Tal
Oh
food.
my
She
gosh.
not move right. She not move right at all.
Yeah. So
Anyway,
let
we're
the
going to see
countdown
it on
begin.
Friday at DD. You
Yes.
understand? Problem?
Yep.
Okay. We're going to see what I go on.
Problems in the dance.
All right, it goes some.
Like I said, Dr. Mac, you slip your slide. So, darling, hold on.
All right. Let's say a word.
All
Yeah.
right. All right.
Yeah,
Later,
man,
TamFam.
Let me see if I can call somebody. True story. In the CIA, them train if you know what each number, the sound of each number, right? Well, in most intelligence agencies, right? So spies, right? You can dial a number. All of them key that when you just hear, them know what each one is. They're trained like that. You know, so I know one woman stays from Jamaica. Yeah, man, I know one girl stays from, man. Long time still, I know what she do, you know, but you, the number them where you are put in or whatever, she can listen and know about which number she'll listen and know. Hey, some woman, I'm afraid I want to, you know. Well, that same woman that she can see you are put in code on your phone for credit and see what you do and that.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Welder.
Yo.
Yeah, man, you're there on the show, you know, the people in my ear. You sort out?
Hola. No, we don't want to. We're there on the next game.
Oh, you're watching next game. All right, but listen, before the next game, I want you to talk to the people about the party next week. Them I hear you right now, you know, you're on air, you're there on TikTok, you're there on Facebook, you're there on YouTube and thing and whatever, right? And tell the people about the party next week, Saturday, man.
So the party is a vintage party, right? And we have the great Steely Bashman, Two Love. And we changed the location from last year, so it's a more upscale location we have this year.
Tell them the location. Well, people, it's called Vintage Explosion. Vintage Explosion. And it's all about G-Force outside of Stone Love. The boss himself, Steely Bashman, hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti, and a bag of other selector. Big people music, a beer niceness and thing. People try for I am all the while for the young people, them something. I'm tell them, so I can't manage it. I can't manage that something. I can't manage that energy. The energy there.
But you see, this is it. You have to monitor the music. You have to make sure that people get the right new type of music and things and everything.
Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah. Say hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
No, the hallelujah dry and fenke. Give me a nice revival.
Hallelujah.
See them, and I want me to hear them and what's our vibes we deal with around here. Tell them the location, the address, please.
So Raga, I'm going to send you flyers. So don't read the flyers, no?
Tell the people them the address, man. All right, no worry, me tell them. Upper Windsor, upper Hartford side people, upper Hartford side and thing and whatever. Me tell them the address and thing. Send me back the flyer. You know, Welder, because me are looking at my thing here and I don't know why it a show blank. I see steal it. No, it name. It named the Elegant Birdcage, 25 Central Street in Windsor, Connecticut. The Elegant Birdcage, 25 Central Street in Windsor, Connecticut, right? That look a bit topside Hartford. But you know, when we down there, so we call the whole up there, so Hartford. All right? So it's the Elegant Birdcage. You put on the address of the Elegant Birdcage, 25 Central Street, Windsor, Connecticut. Next week, Saturday the 20th, it's all about a thing called Vintage Explosion. Stone Love! What am I on G?
And we are keep everything, our vintage, everything, we are keep it vintage. We have some vintage guests are coming and things, so the party, everybody talk about the party. It's gonna be one of the best parties to the year in a Connecticut. I don't know, young people think, but young people welcome because they're going to enjoy music. That's it.
Oh, you mean? Wait, the $30 before 11, $40
$30 before 11 o'clock.
$30 before 11 o'clock. $30 before 11 o'clock and things. Certified, you have your money certified.
And for your fans, then we have VIP section for your fans. Then whoever come from New York or whatever we do, we have prepared VIP section for your fans. Then.
Yo, me just want you know, a woman just call, you know. Right, she come in from England, you know, and she bring it up and say, the party there Connecticut, I want to be, she come in Friday, you know, from England, you know, Kia. She said, the party there in Connecticut, I want to come at a party there, you know, whatever. So, you know, so she go there. Another lady up at Connecticut link me and say, she have put together a group to come down, a TamFam to come down at the party and things, and the party there go nice. She certified, so she want to go. Yeah, what certified can't really dance. She can't dance good enough, so we have to go teach her for dance. Here, Welder.
Yeah, would I like to carry on top of the ant crew, you know?
Ooh, the ants nest crew?
Yeah.
Why you want ants nest crew, dear? You know what?
No, but I like to carry on them was still, you know, like them vibes, you know.
So you know like the spray them, you know like the spray them crew people.
Some like the ant crew vibes.
Hey, when I reach up there, I'm boxing in your head back, you see. Watch me. No. I want slap me in your head back, you know. Because you're there neatly, I say, you know, an answer screw side, you know. You're wicked, you know. You're wicked. But it's all right. It's all right.
Them organized.
Them organized and thing and whatever. No, them always have everything together. One little era where them kind of fall apart is for beard regularly, but outside of that, them always have them thing together and sort of. What you say about beard? If them beard or not, what?
You know,
no, but may I tell you that that's one of them weak area, you know, them beard regular type.
But anyway,
nice.
We have to show the people enjoy them to the right way and the right type of music to play. I don't know, Steely Bushman from New York.
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
From Stewart.
Stone Love, straight from Jamaica.
And we have a DJ where most people know about Super Talker.
All right. You understand. And of course, yours truly, Ragashanti, I got there and things, see? And I'm a smell good cologne. You see what I say? All right, good. Anyway, what is scoring at the next game before you leave?
What the middle one talking about? I think you know what I'm talking.
Them a lead that.
And it's some 20 yard.
Knicks down by 20 yard?
Yeah.
Damn. What quarter?
After
No man, something no sound right. This not them I get me worried there now. Them I get me worried there now.
the man was that 3 points. 3 points.
Oh, 62 to 40. Them up by 22. Damn. All right. Now say a word, man. Send me back a flyer here. Here,
Yeah, that's it. So I'm saying it right now.
Yeah, man, send it right now. All right, my brother. Big up yourself. All right, cool.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Aye, boy, next them. Go on, you know. So that's our next week, Saturday, see? Right? Craig Tancher, anyone leaving from Queens? No, go on this, so we have to figure out something. I don't know, I said this Saturday now, at Atlanta, I do it, right? So we could just go through them things and cover. This Saturday at Atlanta, I do it, right? Right? And the stage show, yeah. The stage show, yeah. The stage show, yeah, for this Saturday. Them have a community service dimension to it, you know. It's the Save the Master Good as foot bag. Thing where we do. Let's see. All right, let's go. Certified, I want you allow me about old man typing. You're brighty.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to...
The one hardly not answer him phone. Somebody tell hardly say him for answer him phone. Somebody tell hardly say him for answer him phone. Let's see this thing. No. One will that send me back is steal or something. Da. Answer your phone. I tell hardly for answer him. Anyway, could go and juggle yes. Rea bueno. Okay. Hello. 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 No answer this. Huh? Hello.
Raga.
Yo.
Raga, good night. Good night. How you doing?
My good. Wagwan.
So where you run left Jamaica, Raga?
Eh?
Where you run left Jamaica? Where spit past some and show beer in your raga.
Hold on, a beer breeze a blowing on your phone, move a far
Alright,
phone.
come out there.
Yeah.
I ask you why you roll left Jamaica, you just spit past stone and show beer in your. What I'm saying, raga?
Me spit pan stone and throw it back at me.
Yeah, that's how you do.
No, me never
How
do
you
that.
raga?
How you spread rumor upon me about me spit pan? Me never do nothing. I still Jamaica, me say. How you are going with? No, because you now fly out from Jamaica, you want to come Bantan, Miss Cherry Boy.
But you look like a pitch tent.
No,
you look like a pitch
you're
tent
going
over
like you
there.
want to come Bantan, Miss
tent over
Cherry Boy.
here.
You want to come Bantan, Miss Cherry Boy, come bust Liberty pan me and all these things and whatever. I want to go and feel. When last you fly out, you ever go lick a foreign? Lick a foreign and big foreign?
You give me one visa, raga? Well, I'm afraid what kind of question that me. You ever give me a visa, yeah, raga?
But me know you not forget visa for go lick a foreign. You not forget visa for go lick a foreign.
Lick a foreign can't hold me.
You know, want to look a boyfriend over lick a foreign. I was sweet a while ago. I was sweet a while ago. I want me say a while ago. Make it bad, Lord. Why? I was sweet a while ago. I was sweet. Was it something I said? Was it something I said? You're not talking. You did talk good, you know. All of a sudden you stop talking.
Raga,
what?
Raga, happy to see you again. So
Raga.
Stay good. Bye-bye, Raga.
Yeah, well, I got already. Got already. Yeah, no, then I'm making guns so quick, man. Yeah, I'm ready for the arms house, you know. No, man, that line they rock him, you know. He must say, wait, what? That line they rock him, you know, man. God. You know, say, I say, Ragashanti show, man, so it'll be a problem, you know. Keep up arms house, you understand? So he thinks it, man. And me call this. Oh, we get the one on there.
Telephone number 9.
No. Me don't want the people them number come out. I'm tell you.
Respect that. Cool.
Yeah, man, cool. Yes, I don't know, so I'm busy the next 2 weekends, you know, you understand? Work have to go on and thing and sitting and whatever, you know. Master good that look like she know Eggy. And Kay said she met Luciana years ago in Montserrat and thing, the messenger man, and Luciana a big performer, you know. One time gone, you know, I must say only Elephant Man did more lively than Luciana up on stage, you know. Yeah, man, Luciana just run up and down and go on with a bag or something. Raga, can you believe I'm up at this time and tuning in? You know, work a morning. Sham? You know, work a morning. I know someone now look figure, you know, when you reach them time and thing, you know, because someone who wake up some bad 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning for go doing a look at juggling and thing, you know. You see, big up on yourself, man. All right, people, I'm going to leave a look early, you know. I leave it. No, man, keep it on lively too. Keep it on lively too. Keep it on lively bad, man. You know, keep it on, get your energy from, you know. But keep it. I think keep it on at the highest jumper. The highest jumper, like amongst all entertainers. Me don't know no other entertainer who can jump as high as Capitan. Like, him just jump high. Like, you know, Capitan make concrete coming like it's a trampoline. The way him jump and thing and whatever, you know. Rasta man and thing and whatever, and the man just fit see him and not take care of himself, you know. Anthony be lively, yeah, but him more lively like down on spot and thing, you know, like Elephant Man and Lucian and them run all over the place, you know, and whatever, you know. Yeah, some of them then get lively, look a bit and tired quick too, you know, and can't manage, you know. Sizzler lively, Sizzler, Colanja lively, Dada lively, bad, Sizzler lively, Sizzler full of energy when him a perform, you know, right? You know, with him little self. And can go on like him wickedy. Yeah. No man, yeah, Sizzler lively. Luciano lively, Ellie lively, Anthony B lively, but him not really, yeah, him do the regular. See it? All right, people, big up on yourself, you know. Tomorrow again, you know, I leave a little early today, yeah. So, you know what I say. Well, relatively early speaking, you know, because I start around 7 o'clock lately. But I leave a little early today because I have something for do, you know. Don't vex, don't vex, don't vex, no. People, big and serious, you know, I never see Sizzla do a boring performance yet. I never see that yet. I never see Capleton flap on stage yet. Never see Sizzla flap on stage yet. Never see Lucy flap on stage yet. Them just good like that. Them artists, them just have a natural thing, you know. Them just good like that, you know. Insham, osh. Hey, man, look at me there. Some things me fear do, man, and beat me, man. You know, so I'm just busy with them and trying my best, yeah. All right. Okay. Different things that work on here, people. You know it go. All right, people, big up on yourself, you know. If you don't be it and thing, I'm not going to be it tonight. At least when I get to be it a little earlier. That don't apply to Kimberly or CBS. You know them now, or Nakita or Munchie. You know them now going to be it. Right. Anyway, people in Morris, here I'm back tomorrow. I'm back tomorrow. Bless up on yourself, right? Outer road, straight blessings, cool.